On today's episode, not only are we recasting one of the biggest movies in Bollywood history, but to do this with us, we have one of.
दोबारा ले लो.
Okay, I'll do it again. sorry. Yeah, okay. ठीक है यार, होता है यार, ठीक है.
It's fine.
It's okay.
What am I fucking?
Performance anxiety is very normal,
it's okay.
as Kirti will tell us.
ये तो घर पे भी कर. Shit, now we have to keep this in, or? Oh, damn it, boss. On today's episode, not only are we recasting one of Bollywood's biggest movies of all time, to do this with us, we have one of Bollywood's biggest commentators of all time. One of my absolute favorite YouTubers and YouTube's biggest dancers, dance aficionados, Trident Reviews Productions, Jammy Pants, Anmol Jamwal. Welcome, Anmol.
Glad to be here.
Before Anmol, before you say anything,
Yes.
I have to say.
आप भी लंबा इंट्रो बनाने वाले हैं जिसपे और
Sorry, Anmol, the tears are gonna start any second. Before we get into any kind of serious discussion with Anmol, I have to say that Anmol is one of the few people, actually the only person I know, who has talked to Shah Rukh Khan. So by extension, we have also talked to Shah Rukh
Yeah,
Khan.
kind
so
of.
that means I'm finally getting some late. I'm getting late tonight, yes, because she loves Shah Rukh Khan. Because she loves Shah Rukh Khan. She's a fan.
this
My
sentence
wife is a fan.
and where it
Finally
ended.
getting some action tonight.
That's like an Abbas Mustan twist,
Yeah.
huh?
Baby, are you listening to this? Are you here, man? All right, Anmol. Welcome.
So
welcome.
you
Hi,
mean to
guys.
say if you contact with anyone who's spoken to Shah Rukh, you get laid?
Yeah, man, that's the criteria.
So do we all get laid? All of us are talking to Anmol.
Don't. What is this? How does this? Where did this go? What the fuck?
What is going on?
Sorry, I was just clarifying some doubts. Also for the intro, कितने आदमी थे was right there.
Abbas is like, why aren't you as creative as me, huh?
Another thing that was right there was today we are jamming with.
I mean,
Sorry,
yeah,
you should
there
have
are.
watched out the episode.
Hey, maybe you guys should have done the intro, man. What the fuck?
For context, also, I force invited myself over here. I put Abbas in a corner and told him, dude, I love the channel. So next week, yeah. Done, yeah.
Oh, dude, that is again both humbling and nice.
No.
What's up, man? Welcome to the show.
Just chilling, guys, and thank you for having me. And I would love.
You love us.
I think I have the same stage fright now. No, I love you guys. I love the channel.
Thank you so much.
And I love the discussions. I was actually looking forward to that couch and that intimate setting. So this seems way too professional.
Man,
but
we spend the big bucks for you.
yeah, but I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I should say my name is Antarish Thakkar, joined by
Stay Laneja.
and
Abbas moment.
and today on the episode again we have Anmol Jamwal, Trident Reviews Productions. So guys, we are recasting Sholay,
Yeah.
the big one.
Yeah.
Okay. Before this we have done Andaz Apna Apna.
Wow, okay.
Okay. वो सब होते रहेगा.
छोटी-मोटी
वो सब-
चीजें.
yeah, छोटी-छोटी चीजें. शाहरुख. Fuck that
Yeah,
shit.
we've done Kuch Kuch
Yes.
Hota was the last one we did.
Kuch Hota was the last one we did. Yeah.
yeah.
But now, guys, this is the big one. Are we ready? Yeah.
Yes.
Again,
Yeah.
I always say this, but I mean it this time. I'm gonna win
Oh,
this.
Jesus.
This is
What?
gonna be
There's a
my-
winner also.
No, there's no
There's
winner.
no winner.
इनके माइंड में. इनके mind
I always say that I'm always gonna be the winner.
जैसे उसकी
Mine is-
स्क्रिप्ट यहाँ थी. अब इनका
It's
विनर
always-
है.
I've always see. The thing is, no, I suspect that I hope Jamie is different, but Abbas and Snehal go very first thought. Okay.
Go very
So
first
that-
thought.
very
Dude,
first thought.
I am generic as fuck
No,
also.
don't say that. Don't say that.
No, I will not have very offbeat
Oh, no.
choices also.
Oh no.
उसका गोटा अब्बास का है. मैं कह रहा हूँ अभी आप देखना जय अगर नवाजुद्दीन ना निकले.
मैं already cut कर चुका हूँ was saying.
My unpopular opinion is what a shit film, no?
Yeah, totally.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah,
kidding.
correct.
Just kidding.
Hate it.
No, but I just found it fascinating that it was written also that Sholay, I think, only got Best Editing Award, Filmfare,
Yeah.
and every award went to Diwar.
That is actually one of my favorite fun facts about the
Yeah,
movie.
crazy.
That written by the same writer, Salim Javed, and the other movie won everything.
Yes.
And Sholay was just like, dude, मैं भी था इस साल.
We've discussed this before, but 1975 for Amitabh Bachchan was insane. He had Diwar, Sholay, Guddi,
Yeah.
Chupke Chupke. Four.
It was like the mask here for Jim Carrey.
Yeah.
Equivalent to that.
Yeah. Also, the remastered version of Sholay was recently screened
Yes.
in Italy.
Yeah.
Yeah, in one of those
50th
open air.
anniversary.
one of those open air grand theaters which hosts screenings. So and hopefully we'll see the remastered version as well. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Starting off, why do you guys think? Okay, see, we are not from the Sholay generation. Okay, this is our parents' favorite movie.
Yeah.
Opening night. Abbas.
Let me tell you about that sunny afternoon in 1975.
Yes.
By the way, guys, so 1975, Sholay was the highest grossing film. Now, the story goes that when it released, it wasn't a very big hit. Do
See, I told you he's from
do
that.
you guys know what the second highest grossing film was of 1975?
Not Diwar?
Not Diwar.
Oh, okay.
Jamie might know this.
Is it starring a female lead?
It is.
Right?
Yes.
I know about this film.
Yeah.
Because I saw discussion
you
with
will-
Bhardwaj
you
Rangan
will
talk
not-
about it. No.
Oh.
It's the highest grossing film. No, later was... I know what this movie is.
Is
yeah.
this the Rekha one?
No. It's like a freedom fighter type of situation, no?
It has emotions involved and nationalism. Yes, you can say that. I like it is very one of the like you would think
And-
it's Diwar, it's one of those films, but it's not.
Wow, okay.
Um,
Did this
Should I
win?
reveal
it's
it?
not a Lakshmi Bai
Awards.
thing, no?
No.
Okay.
But you're in the
Yeah,
similar
yeah.
zone.
Because
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know this was the surprise hit for everyone.
yeah.
Tell us.
It was Jay Santoshima.
Jay Santoshima. Yes. You know who I heard talking about this?
Who?
With a passion, every interview he talks about this. Taran Adarsh. Okay. Because he talks about, Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmendra,
Yeah.
Hema Malini,
Yeah.
everybody.
Yeah.
And then Jay Santoshima
Yes.
came.
Yeah. People were literally treating the movie hall as a temple and going to like pray. in
Yeah,
the
that's
temple.
like
So,
the
yeah.
Adi Purush of that year.
That reminds me of I went for Ashutosh Rana's play, the
yeah.
Ramayan
Hamare
play
Ram.
that they've
Hamare
done.
Ram,
Yeah.
yeah.
And it became that, dude. Everyone was just praying at one
yeah.
point
How
of
was
time.
it though? I've been wanting to go and watch that play, but the tickets are too damn expensive.
It's very interesting because they have a different take on Ravan.
Okay.
And the man who plays Ram, he's a creative director with it also.
Oh. Okay.
And he's amazing on stage.
Okay, wow.
But I'll say I wasn't blown away by it, but its production design and everything was top notch. Yeah.
When he asked
Tickets are insane.
Insanely expensive, dude.
Yeah.
Insanely
like what?
expensive.
Like what ballpark?
Like 20,000.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Like the
Wow,
this,
dude.
this is the like the ceiling.
Yeah.
Like it starts by 1500 to 2000 से start होता है, but वो seats उधर हैं.
If you want good tickets, it'll be 15 to 20K easy.
Easy.
Wow.
Right. So the most that I've spent on a play is 6,000 rupees, which was Raj Adhiraj
At
in
the Grand
NMAT.
Theatre, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Dude, I was blown away by the production. If you've not watched it,
It's coming back. One of my
Yeah.
friends has worked on it,
it's
so go watch
coming
it.
back. If you've not watched it, I would fully recommend it.
But to make sure that we can afford expensive tickets, you know what you can, you know what you can do.
Join our membership.
Join our membership.
Nice. Very nice.
Yes, guys.
Very nice.
We have 3 more members. This
We should
week.
tell Jami our tiers firstly.
No, I was going to say that when he asked you how's the play, I was expecting you to say, let me tell you about the good and the bad. Here's me telling you about the good and the bad.
So you can finally decide whether to watch it in theaters or not.
Oh, God.
Sorry, please go ahead.
So we have 3 new members. One is Vandita Rohit. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong. The other one is Gaurav Patil. And the other one is Manish Sainani.
Hey, welcome guys.
Welcome, guys. Thank you so much
Thank you so
for-
much for joining us.
क्या कहते हैं joining the membership.
Join the membership.
And again, this week we have another anonymous member.
Yes.
उस A-lister का बड़ा भाई.
Yes. What did you say last time? You said Suhana Khan, no?
Suhana Khan.
So Aryan has also
Aryan
joined.
has also,
Nice.
Aryan has also
Nice,
joined
nice.
the membership. Yes.
Yeah.
Uh,
But they don't want to be named, which we totally get.
yeah,
it.
that's why we
It's okay,
don't
it's
okay.
name
Yeah, I
them.
know, yeah.
And thank you for all the rejoiners. I can see a lot of people who've rejoined.
What?
And-
They had left?
अरे वो हर
monthly
महीने
membership
का
अंतर है.
Sorry. I thought they left. I'm like,
They left after your Sitare Zameen episode.
Oh, bro.
I would never, guys. Amir Khan, I love you. Would love a discussion on my channel as well after your tour is over.
Dude, the other day मैंने अपना YouTube स्टूडियो रिफ्रेश किया जस्ट टू सी कि क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा 45 कमेंट्स थे 45 का रिफ्रेश किया 46 हो गया लाइक ओ न्यू कमेंट ठीक है नीचे स्क्रॉल करके नीचे गया एंड द फर्स्ट कमेंट इज लाइक यू गाइस आर पैथेटिक
Oh
good one.
God.
Okay, cool. Welcome to the new members, and thank you for sticking around to
Yes.
the members who
The
joined last month
rejoiners.
also. Rejoiners. Let's get to the topic at hand, guys.
Yes.
Why do you think our parents' generation, especially, and by extension our generation, why is Sholay so goddamn iconic? What would you say is? Let's go with one reason, one top reason that you can come up with.
I think Sholay is everything Bollywood mixed in one film.
Okay, so it's like the perfect masala film, is what I say.
Masala.
Like Bollywood का अगर definition देना हो आपको तो Sholay can be part of the definition.
So, but more than DDLJ, because if you're
For
the,
sure.
Different
the first
generation.
yeah, but I
Yeah.
think okay.
Yeah.
Say in okay,
DDLJ
90s, in the 90s,
huh.
if you were to introduce a person who is not into Bollywood at all
Yeah.
to Bollywood, would DDLJ be the first film, or would
I have
Sholay be the
I'm not a DDLJ fan. so I am a Sholay fan.
Yeah.
Sure.
So that would be my introduction. As Snail said, for me, DDLJ is the aspirational
Yeah.
NRI film
Right.
that Desis abroad especially love.
Sure.
I feel like Sholay, I would like put as a Bollywood representation Om Shanti Om
Yes.
over DDLJ.
Nice, yeah.
Because it's drama, action,
Yeah.
suspense, twists, and the shosha of music and dance
Yeah.
as well.
Yes.
Absolutely. Okay. So
A little more.
So nothing from the 90s though.
So
No,
thing
a
that-
lot from the 90s
Okay.
as well.
The thing is
I would say Hum Aapke Hain Kaun
Yes.
over
Yeah,
really?
exactly.
DDLJ.
Oh.
Because Hum Aapke Hain Kaun
Dude,
kickstarts the
it's very
90s.
boring, bro.
But
Hum
that's
Aapke
what
Hain
laid the
Kaun.
foundation.
हम साथ साथ हैं is boring.
Aditya Chopra, boring as hell.
Bro.
Super boring, bro.
Aditya Chopra and Karan Johar say that that's what started the
Yeah. That's true.
90s.
That's true.
Revival,
Yeah.
kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was almost gonna be the Hum Saath Saath Hai recasting episode,
Was
but
it?
then
Oh,
we
really?
all decided it's gonna be
Too many members.
very boring.
There are too many
Exactly. We'll be able to tomorrow.
Also, Tuffy is irreplaceable, guys.
Replace him with a German Shepherd this time. A different breed.
वो आपका है ना, आपका कौन सा डॉगी था जिसका आपने पहले भी रिकास्ट किया था?
मैं भूल गया यार. हाँ,
आप
किया
अपने
था.
अपने ही डॉगी को भूल गए.
Wasn't it?
No,
Kirti's
Burfi,
dog.
it was Kirti's dog. Yeah, I forgot. Shit. I
Burfi.
guess I'm not getting late tonight.
Wow. Okay.
But you're a DDLJ like stan.
I mean, not really, but I like if someone is not aware of Bollywood at all, I think DDLJ is a slightly easier watch.
For me, just the travel to Europe was like the cringiest
Yeah.
part of that movie.
Okay.
And then for me, the action block was the most unnecessary
Sure,
part
yeah.
of that
That was
movie.
added by Shah Rukh.
End में हाँ, वो शाहरुख ने फोर्स फिट कराया था कि मुझे एक्शन करना है.
Yes.
So yeah, I mean, the music is amazing.
बेचारा अनुपम खेर से एक्शन करा दिया शाहरुख ने. अनुपम खेर like यार I was chilling. I had nothing to do today.
Randomly पिट रहा हूँ मैं.
I prefer K3G over DDLJ.
Actually that I do.
Oh, I
agree
was
also.
recently watching
I do like
K3G.
more.
Very enjoyable.
Bro, it's a great repeat value.
it is, it is,
man.
yeah.
Very rewatchable. dude.
Every time I rewatch K3G, I fall in love with Kajol a little more every single time. She again
Then
the
you should
comfort on
watch Ma, I guess.
Oh, okay. Why?
जैसे ही आपको ज्यादा प्यार होने लगेगा.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Wow. So that's a 2-second review of Ma by Snail.
Bro, I heard it was good. I heard
TRP
she was-
approved.
I heard it was great. I heard her acting. Jamie said it was good.
No. I didn't say it was good at all.
Her acting was good and all.
No, she was good.
Jamie's
That's
like
what
not
he
in my name.
That's what he
Bro,
said.
generic as...
Oh, bro,
Really?
crazy, dude.
Oh, no.
Worse VFX than Fighter, bro.
Bro, when you make the entire villain digitally rendered thing,
Yeah,
it's the
dude.
funniest. And Ronit Roy literally... Oh, sorry, spoilers. Ronit Roy literally in that scene does a dabang from Salman.
Oh, yes.
Like Salman
Oh,
dabang. Full. Like,
damn.
and it's the funniest scene because he's supposed to be scary in that.
Yeah.
And he does like a
And he's
strip.
not scary at all.
And he
He has,
looks at
he's
you.
like, he has a body and abs and all.
No, like a good chest,
Oh,
but
okay.
not like a body.
Dude, it's so funny. I'll just take like one moment before we get to Sholay.
Yeah.
There's this scene जहाँ पे Bengal में set है, right?
Yeah.
So Ronit Roy throughout the film is saying very thick Bengali, like मतलब
Right. Bengali
वो-
accent.
Like cliche.
Yeah, yeah,
cliche.
yeah.
very thick Bengali accent,
Yeah.
ठीक है? शो ही करके बात कर रहा है. Bro, I'm not kidding, dude.
Yeah,
Genuinely,
yeah.
ठीक है? And then
Sure.
the final reveal, ठीक है? पुलिस वाले को पता चल जाता है कि भाई विलन जो है वो यही है, ठीक है? And then he's like, ओ तुमने पहचान लिया, बंगाली एक्सेंट में बोलता है, एंड देन चश्मा उतारता है और सडनली बंगाली एक्सेंट चला जाता है. और फिर वो चला ही जाता है, फिर वो कभी लौट के नहीं आता वो एक्सेंट।
It's Clark Kent has the accent. Superman does not. I think that's what's happening.
लाइक ऐसा नहीं है ना कि अचानक चश्मा उतार के तू अब नॉन बंगाली विलन हो गया, तू बंगाली ही है।
No, but the concept being that he becomes the devil and then he loses
He sold
it.
his soul to the
Yeah.
devil.
It's all BS, man.
That's the
Okay.
understand symbolism.
तुम्हें समझ नहीं आई है?
मुझे समझ नहीं आई बिल्कुल भी।
The Sonakshi film didn't release.
Nikita Roy did not
Acha,
release,
okay.
yeah.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
They decided 6 hours or like 12 hours
Yeah,
before the thing. 18 July now.
18 July.
Wow. Okay then.
I guess a movie that did not release in its time. Sorry, wasn't rescheduled during its time. Sholay. Let's get to it finally, please. Okay. Should we start with the recasting and
Yeah.
get to the
Yeah,
crux?
sure.
of
Can
it?
I give one more trivia about Sholay though?
Oh,
Sorry,
please.
I'm
I would
being
love
that
this.
guy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So Sholay is essentially a remake of a film called Mera Gaon Mera Desh,
Oh, is
which
it?
was directed by Raj Khosla. It had Vinod Khanna as a villain
Okay.
and Dharmendra as the hero. I don't remember who the heroine was, but
Dharmendra was in both the movies.
Dharmendra was in both the movies,
That's awesome,
and
right?
Mera Gaon Mera Desh I think came out 3 or 4 years before Sholay. So Sholay is a repurposed version of Mera Gaon.
Bro,
Mera Desh.
that's crazy because when I was reading excerpts from Anupama Chopra's book on Sholay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and she said that Dharmendra wanted to do Thakur's role.
Right,
Okay?
right.
But
Yeah.
when he got to know that Viru is going to play opposite Hema Malini, he was like, nahi, ab main yahi karunga.
No, because
Because Sanjeev Kumar was going to do
also
that.
interested in Hema Malini. They say.
Right.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what.
yeah.
Cool. We'll come to all those tidbits when we come to those characters.
Oh, yes,
so
yes,
cool.
ओ आवाज लिख के लाया तुम मेरा
क्योंकि मेरे पास-
Plus और trivia है मेरे पास.
मेरे पास सिर्फ फॉर्मेट है because I'm pretty sure I've got the worst recasting list, but
Well,
we'll
that's
Hey
see.
man,
always the
don't
case.
sell yourself.
There's nothing good or bad. Yeah.
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 It's
We're
just
all
a
winners
bus and
tonight.
not a bus.
Now don't make me look like a dick because I'm excited about my
Okay,
shit.
fine.
No, I think Antariksh should go first.
Bro, that's always the case. पता है.
Anticipate कर लिया.
Okay, can we take a guess? Is Vikrant Masi on the list?
You won't know till you find out. You'll have to wait and see it.
Dude, विक्रांत मसी की नई फिल्म का ट्रेलर आ गया.
Yeah.
आंखों
पर
के
शोले के बारे में बात
गुस्ताखी.
कर रहे
तो ज्यादा बात करेंगे तो अंतरिक्ष won't be able to hold it.
Yeah, I react to Vikrant Masi how Abbas reacts to Aisha Shdake.
Okay then.
And अनुराग कश्यप.
That's true.
Yeah.
If they collaborate.
अनुराग और आयशा की पिक्चर आ गई, पूरा थिएटर अकेला अब्बास बुक करके अकेला बैठ के देख रहा है.
You know what? Though I have seen an Aisha Takia film almost alone in a theater.
Door.
Detali.
Oh fuck! I don't remember that movie. I took my. I was such a Shahid Kapoor stan. I took all my friends on my birthday for Dil Mange More.
Oh bro.
Hey.
Bro,
Wow.
I still watch it, dude. I love it, dude. Bro, मैं तो शिखर के लिए भी ले गया था दोस्तों को. You wouldn't even know शिखर.
I do.
You
Ajay
remember
Devgan.
Ajay Devgan,
Shahid Kapoor. Yes.
Amrita
yes,
Rao.
Yes.
Sholay. How do you want to start? The main cast first?
Yes.
Or
Yeah.
main cast
Let's
so that
start
Yes.
with
Viru and Jay?
Viru and
first.
Jay.
Are you doing both together, like Jay and Viru?
Yeah,
both?
can do.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Huh.
So that
Okay.
Viru
So that we know how much chemistry are
नहीं
they each
नहीं
have.
वीरू जय 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 जय.
वैसे कर रहे हैं.
Okay, okay,
Okay, वो भी कर
okay.
सकते हैं.
हाँ.
ठीक है. We'll see. Okay, ठीक है. Let's go. My Viru. Guys.
Yes.
Yes.
So Viru
Okay,
was
so
played
what-
by in the original.
Yeah. Dharmendra.
Dharmendra,
Yeah,
yes.
played by Dharmendra. What character traits?
Yeah.
Okay.
Abbe
What are the character traits
Yeah.
for Viru?
Yeah.
Okay. Like
His
boisterous-
casting will be the exact opposite.
boisterous.
What the character traits are?
Boisterous.
Like उसकी बॉडी बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
वो एक्टर बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. विक्रांत मसी.
guys. No, इतना भी नहीं. Okay. इतना भी आसान नहीं करना.
Okay. हाँ. Boisterous.
Boisterous.
Yeah.
A flirt.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Friendly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Mischievous.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. I think.
Should know how to ride a bike.
No, but that's why. This is not one of those bikes that you
Is
have to
not
support,
afraid
no.
of heights.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wants to marry Basant in real life as well.
Correct. Yeah.
Can ride a horse.
Yeah. Knows things that are done in jail, like Chucky
Yeah.
kissing.
Okay,
and
we've
all that.
listed enough
Right.
traits.
I guess.
Looks good in denim.
Yeah. One pair of clothes.
कंफर्टेबल इन जेल के हिसाब से तो फिर आपका पूल काफी छोटा हो जाएगा.
That's the one. That's the one.
So don't say you've cast Raj Kundra.
Jamie just ran her actor
Yeah,
का नाम
how
in
was
his
it?
mind कि मैं
No, I
कौन
was
सा
like, what's the
बोल
most
सकता हूँ?
obscure example right now?
Oh my
We should mention we're recasting for 2025,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So
for
in
sure.
case you're watching this in whatever 2030, don't
So,
be like
yeah. So all these character traits,
Yeah.
right? I have two options as
Okay.
always. Okay,
Okay.
I always
Yeah,
come.
you have a
prepared
backup,
with-
yeah.
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 Always. First option, not as exciting, but hear me out.
Okay.
First option, Varun Dhawan.
Yeah, he fits the bill.
Oh, okay, great. So you guys are fine with this.
I
was hoping.
I mean,
Bro, like so
Sure.
why?
Like the vibe, right? It's the nature. Like Varun's persona in general
Yeah,
seems very close.
tries
to
too hard.
What we. Yeah, sure.
yeah.
you know,
That's again
I'm
character trait. Yeah, Arun.
yeah.
वरुण मैंने किसी और कैरेक्टर के लिए सोचा था बट मैंने हटा दिया लाइक वरुण ये रोल करेगा नहीं द असरानी रोल है तो
What?
But we don't have
Varun, I'm sorry. I would never reduce you to a comic character for 5 minutes.
See,
He's your
okay,
comic
it-
relief.
Snehal, that's what you think his potential is?
I agree. Yes, very bad. But like bad casting.
Varun,
Bad casting.
Very
Horrible.
bad.
Bad casting there in that.
Oh, okay.
But see, it's not up to us to decide whether the person will do the role or not. हमारा काम है पूछना.
Pitch
You know,
करना.
pitch करना.
पिच कर रहे हैं
हम मुकेश छावड़ा है. वो लोग करे
नहीं
तो करे.
मतलब आई थिंक आज के चलो छोड़ो मैं क्यों डिफेंड कर रहा हूँ मैं तो चूज भी नहीं किया वरुण
But I see the potential of
Thinking,
Varun,
Yeah.
Yes.
especially the dynamic with Hema Malini. I can imagine him being the Chichora.
Varun and Hema
you
Malini,
know.
yeah, great pairing.
No. Like if it's an Alia, you know,
Yeah,
they,
yeah.
their chemistry is amazing and he's mischievous. If you
Absolutely.
see like a Main Tera Hero, he is
Exactly.
over the top,
Yes.
but
Exactly the vibe.
it's slightly charming also. Main Tera
Yes.
Hero, I have a soft corner.
Yeah,
for.
तेरा ध्यान किधर है?
तेरा hero इधर है।
Varun Dhawan.
He's wearing Adidas Jeremy Scott's the entire film.
Yeah.
Okay, this one he
Sneakers.
wear Adidas denims for this one.
So that was
So my first option.
not so exciting.
Yeah, not so exciting. But seeing you
choice.
guys' response, I think that'll be my my second option,
Okay.
which I was more excited about, is actually Guddu Bhaiya Ali Fazal. Like the more
What?
fun side of Ali Fazal's persona. You know, not
Tell
the-
me one movie where he has a fun side.
this will be the one.
Bro, honestly, I feel like Ali cannot do slapstick comedy.
Oh.
यार वो स्लैपस्टिक कॉमेडी वाली फिल्म में भी सीरियस प्ले करता है फुकरे
Yeah. Fukre to let's not talk
He's
about
good
it.
sad boy.
yeah he's a good sad boy yes
Okay.
Okay, so tell me this. When I was thinking of Viru, my one quality I kept going back. He has to be muscular.
Oh,
Should
yes,
be passable as a action hero.
ये मेरे
Ali
मेरे
Fazal
माइंड में
doesn't
भी
fit
था
as an action hero.
Yeah,
But
what?
muscle तो
No,
कोई भी
yeah,
बना
come
लेता
on.
है.
Bro,
Guddu
muscle
is
तो कोई भी बना लेता
Guddu
है,
is in a
bro.
bodybuilding competition.
Absolutely, bro. That's right. Yeah.
But I feel
Comes
like
second.
you know, he's from my school.
Okay.
I've seen him on stage.
Okay.
And he's like done Shakespeare in front of me.
wow.
He is that gravitas. You know, and
Okay.
I'm telling you, I saw him in Fast and the Furious, and it's a very caricature. If you remember,
Yeah, of course.
it's the least funny role in the movie.
Yeah.
No.
Even Anil Kapoor
I'm
got to
sure
do-
you can do it. Who am I, a bloody loser from Noida? But I feel like there's certain points where you just can't go there. I feel like he can't.
हाँ
So wait, you're from the same college?
Same school, Dehradun school.
Have you ever met him?
Yeah. I interviewed him for Vishal
And
Bhardwaj's
did you talk
movie.
about this?
No.
Did you-
No, but in that movie, he was like a raw agent, not a raw agent. He goes against the Indian government.
the
If you
Khufia,
remember,
Khufia.
yeah.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
But
Chalo,
but if you, where did you see that potential of Viru's?
he didn't he just thought कि ये और कोई नहीं सोचेगा तो मैं डाल देता
नहीं इतना भी नहीं. That's see definitely I am that is one criteria
Sorry,
of
I'm
thinking.
shaming you for
No,
this.
no. No. I'm used to
such a polite person on
I'm
the
used to this, Bala. Yeah.
No, but please
Now
make
you guys
it.
have a third person to help you in fucking shitting on my choices.
Please make your case if you have something else.
Varun Dhawan is a better option, but see, really,
Yeah,
I think Ali Fazal has that persona, but you know him better, so I'm
No.
not-
No. See. I am equating to the history of what I've seen. That's
Right.
all.
Okay.
Right.
So the thing is that I haven't even seen a glimmer of like a Chichora Panti and you know like a almost like pulling each other's leg or being the brat of the two.
So
You
you
know?
heard it here, guys. Ali Fazal is not fun. From Jammy Pants, you heard it. Sorry, Ali. What are you gonna do?
You should have seen him in Thug Life.
I haven't seen that
Thug
movie
Life.
yet. Yeah.
Good. You guys are good. yeah.
Who wants to go next?
Snail, please.
Alright.
चलो ठीक है I'll go next आई ऑल्सो हैव सो पता है अब क्या हो गया कि अब मैं इनवॉलंटरीली 2 ऑप्शन लिख लेता हूँ बिकॉज मुझे पता है पैनल पे अंतरिक्ष भी है ठीक है
Second option, Antariksh is my option.
so Viru again all the traits that you guys mentioned
Yeah.
so मेरी पूरी लिस्ट में किसी के पास भी वो वाला स्टार पावर नहीं है टू ब्रिंग एसेस टू
Got it. Yeah, yeah.
राइट तो
No, this will be a mid-budget Netflix
हाँ,
film. Yeah,
तो
yeah,
I chose Viru's character to be that one actor
Okay.
that will bring
bring the
ठीक है
audience.
What?
Oh, okay. I thought you were
Ranveer
saying.
Singh.
No. Oh, he does. Oh, okay. ठीक
Oh
है.
yeah, we forgot to
We
spring
forgot
the
to tell you.
rule.
there's this rule that we cannot cast Ranbir or Alia in any of the roles.
For the most part. Why? Why is that? Because shit, my movie's ruined. I was like, my movie's ruined. Oh my god.
No, I just have to change one thing.
I thought for a guest we'll make an exception, but
Yeah, we can. For Jamie, we
Chalo,
can
chalo,
make an
chalo.
exception.
Okay.
Absolutely.
We'll
Don't worry
figure,
about it.
we'll figure.
जब आया तो आया. ठीक है. But basically, why we do that? Because that's all of us will want to include them in every movie.
yeah.
So
Got it,
that's
got
why.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Got it.
Ranbir and
Yeah.
Viru would make a
Ranbir
great
and
Jay
Viru,
Viru.
the two of them
Yeah.
already
True.
it's like done
Yeah.
casting, dude.
Yes.
आलिया को बसंती बना तो बस हो गया.
हाँ,
खत्म.
हो गया.
One way picture. फिर हम उसको Love and War बुलाएंगे.
विकी को डाल दो. विकी's ठाकुर.
Vicky is my Viru actually.
Wow.
Vicky Kaushal. Vicky
Ooh.
Kaushal. Vicky Kaushal is my Viru.
I thought of
pretty
this,
good.
yeah.
I also thought of that.
And I went for a worse choice.
I also went for my second choice.
So my second option was Shahid Kapoor, but my top option is Vicky Kaushal because I think वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से fit करेगा and the dynamics that I want to build with Jay, I think वो
Okay.
उसके साथ ज़्यादा अच्छा जाएगा.
I have a question about the Shahid choice, right? What age are we looking at casting them? Like, if it's
Late
2025,
30s, late
Yeah.
30s.
Yeah,
Shahid is
Baba,
40 plus.
if from what I've learnt about
Yeah,
Bollywood
yeah.
is high school kids would be late 20s, early 30s.
Right.
Early 30s,
Leading men will be late 30s, early 40s.
Right.
Yes.
Leading women, early 20s.
Yeah.
But now things are changing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now they are
Now we have
teenagers.
18 also.
Yeah.
Not with men. Not with
yeah.
men.
But
only with women.
Yeah.
Only
Now
with women.
18-year-olds are also debuting.
Recording this a week after our Sitare Zameen Par episode where Amir Khan plays a very
young
boy who calls out to his mama.
मम्मा जो कि रियल लाइफ में उससे सिर्फ 6 साल बड़ी है.
Anyway, moving on.
Maybe she got. Okay, let's not.
No.
That's it. Reminded me of if you've seen Bachchan Pandey,
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar's mother
Yeah.
in that is Seema Biswas,
Okay, and
and I think she's a
Younger
year
too?
older.
Oh, year
Oh,
older.
that's great.
Even Shefali Shah in Waqt was, I think, 3 or 4 years.
Oh,
younger than Akshay
Younger
Kumar.
than
Younger than
Akshay,
Akshay Kumar,
younger
sorry.
than
Yeah,
Insane,
yeah,
yeah. Hey, but the dad can fall in love with anyone, man.
yeah, sure. It's called Nishab. Check it out. Anyway, Jamie, you go next because I'm
Yeah.
very embarrassed about my
Okay,
choice. Yeah.
so mine is slightly left field.
Okay.
Again, I think what Antariksh said, slightly easy on the feet, constantly joking, and but when shit hits the fan, can be dramatic. I thought of Kunal Khemu.
Dude.
Oh,
So
interesting.
I thought.
Signal. I love the movie Signal. Traffic
Traffic
Signal.
Signal.
Traffic
Yes,
Signal.
Traffic
Yeah,
Signal.
yeah. Lovely
Yeah.
film, but I think he also has great comic timing.
Absolutely.
Oh, love it,
Without a
yeah.
doubt.
So I thought I was constantly looking at like height difference also. Amitabh Bachchan towers
Yes.
over
Yeah,
everyone.
yeah,
So
yeah.
my Jay also like fits the bill with Kunal.
Right.
Hey,
And,
Varun Dhawan also fits for that reason.
Yeah, he does. He
Yeah,
does.
oh, well.
But I just find him very funny, and I think Go Goa Gone I revisit also multiple times because of that. And I think he's one of the good aspects of Golmaal.
Yes.
Which,
Oh, yes, yes.
And I think he has a good presence on
Yeah,
screen.
yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah.
Great.
Okay, should I go next?
Yeah,
Yes.
but we didn't actually discuss Jamie's option.
Sure.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can.
Kunal, guys.
Yeah, I think.
What do you
like
think?
It, yeah.
Yeah.
I
Like
like
it
it.
didn't click until you said it, but now it makes sense.
know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Kunal's great. But do you think he'll be as good? I've never seen him do action. I would say. Right?
Okay, so
Actually, no.
I'll tell you one terrible film. It's like a fever dream called Malang.
Okay.
Okay. When he wants to do like action or like blocks of it, he's very capable.
मलंग वो वाली आदित्य रॉय कपूर.
Aditya Roy Kapoor
Oh,
wali.
dude, yeah.
He's the most fuck all character in that movie.
हाँ.
Okay. You know what his character is?
What?
He's impotent, so he takes out his aggression by killing people.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because
serial killer?
हाँ मतलब कि पागल हो जाता है, बीवियों से हमेशा
ताने
insult
मारती रहती
करती
है,
but if he can channelize that intensity, very good.
That's also somewhere similar to the Murder to Villain arc, no?
Murder to
Murder
Villain
to
arc.
Villain
Yes,
arc,
yes,
yeah.
I
yes.
just thought of something because of what Jamie just said, like the traits that Kunal Khemu has. I think would Ritesh Deshmukh also work in this?
No, bro.
Like look-wise, no, but acting-wise, he can do
No,
almost
man.
anything.
Dude, I think of Ritesh Deshmukh, I think of all the mindless comedies, your houseful types.
Masti
You know,
4.
they tried really hard with both Ek Villain and Raid
And
2
Raid 2, yes,
recently.
Yes.
I नहीं होता मुझसे.
Okay, fair enough.
He did channelize that, and you know, I like that he's diversifying, but it's not as you know the antagonist I should be scared of. I don't get that.
But then again वो एक रेड 2 करता है फिर उसके बाद 4 हाउसफुल कर लेता है तो फिर कैसे ही होगा ना चेंज.
Okay,
Abbas.
so I ideally wanted to cast Ritik for this, for
Oh!
Viru, but then I thought
That's
he's
hilarious.
50. So maybe for 2025 he's not the ideal
So
candidate.
Dharmendra was 40 by the way when he played.
Yeah.
Ritik
was
is
40?
hilarious
He was 40.
though.
Yeah, yeah.
That would be so interesting.
Ritik, so
Ritik is more suited for Jay than Viru, dude.
no, wait till
Hey,
you hear
hey,
my
wait. Ritik is more suited to other characters in the movie.
Oh!
I know which one you're talking about. I know which one you're talking about. I know which one you're talking
Yes,
about.
you guys are.
Yep.
So then I went for a choice that I'm not very proud of. So we're keeping the basics the same, right? This is a village where they go and they.
Sure.
But
Jeetu
this-
bhaiya.
Abbas, don't
Jeetu bhaiya.
preempt.
No, I went for Siddhant Chaturvedi, who's not villager at all.
No, he did Gully Boy, so like Dharavi, I guess.
So, but I just think he's charming. He's,
Dharavi village.
He's got a bro.
Please save me. Don't cancel me, guys. Please. I don't want another thread.
Siddharth Chaturvedi as Viru and Godo. Basanti goya banta Basanti.
क्या धन्नो भगाना है क्या करेंगे
Manchak.
बसंती से शादी करने का होना है भाई.
रामगढ़ 70 ओके डन
वो निकली अपनी घोड़ी पे और अब वो मेरी घोड़ी पे मेरी घोड़ी पे मेरी घोड़ी पे मेरी घोड़ी पे मेरी घोड़ी पे.
जय वीरू का इंट्रो सॉन्ग कुछ बनाते ना भाई
एक नंबर.
अपन की दोस्ती बोले तो
अपने धन्नो लोग के लिए अपने ठाकर लोग के लिए
अपने गाँव वालों के लिए बनाते भाई so yeah, Siddhant Chaturvedi
What's up?
as Viru.
If Siddhant Chaturvedi is doing a rap concert, AK Uncle will never be able to say इतना सन्नाटा क्यों.
Wow, okay. Glad you guys liked it.
You know
Yeah.
that's a very bad option by the way. Yes, sure.
Jay is MC Stan guys.
Yeah, correct.
So now I've got a
Pichan baby.
I've got a unique Jay. But let's go back to you for your
Okay.
Jay. Yeah.
You should have option 2. No. There's no save after Chaturvedi. Okay.
So now Jay, okay?
You just played by Amitabh Bachchan in the original.
Yes, Amitabh Bachchan. Stoic, strong,
Yes.
silent, sarcastic as fuck.
Yes.
That's a great
Yes.
character
Yeah.
trait.
Yes.
Okay. I have 2 again. Okay. My first option is Divyendu.
As,
Okay.
As Jay.
So see again, I know he is in the roles he's
Stoic.
wait.
Okay, हाँ.
In the roles he's played, I know he is. अगर मिर्जापुर ले लो या फिर मडगांव एक्सप्रेस ले लो, right? Those are two ballpark roles I'm going by.
आपने पूरे मिर्जापुर से ही कास्ट किया.
It does seem like that.
मैंने
It
जीवन
does
में
seem like
एक
that.
ही वेब शो
Uncle,
देखा
party is coming soon.
है. उसी में से सब चुन लूंगा.
Yeah. मिर्जापुर sponsor.
so that would make your Jay and Viru Divyendu and
Varun Dhawan.
Varun Dhawan. Okay.
Yeah. That's very weird.
You're selling tickets also, right?
Hey.
Huh.
Okay, so
Sorry,
I'm
please,
going by
huh.
these 2 roles.
Okay.
Mirzapur and Madgaon Express. I know
Right.
Divyendu is more the fast-talking
Yeah,
guy,
yeah.
but in Mirzapur he has this very scary persona. Okay, which is like intimidating even while not speaking. I think that's the aspect which would fit Jay's role very well here in this part. But I have a second option, which is I think
The better one.
which is my Varun Dhawan equivalent.
Okay.
Okay, which is as good.
all of Antariksh's choices have an opening act.
Correct.
That usually bomb.
Except for Varun. Let's not forget.
True
guys.
to
Let's
the
not-
fact कि वो
let's
opening
not
act
forget.
है.
Yeah,
Okay.
I ease you guys in
Yeah.
to the worst option sometimes.
Yes.
Jai, fucking Vikrant Massey, dude.
एक सेकंड dude, seriously?
I'm serious. I think Vikrant Massey would be fucking
Bro,
epic.
एक सेकंड एक बात बताओ.
Dude,
Like,
again, Mirzapur.
I kind of see that though. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Dude, for sure.
But Baba, you're airing the rule that you guys are playing with, right?
What?
The Ranbir.
हाँ,
Vikrant,
Ranbir.
At this point,
I
Vikrant
hope
Massey-
you guys know Ranbir was not their option, so they're looking elsewhere.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
हाँ,
yeah,
हाँ.
yeah.
यार,
Got it, got it.
that also isn't a good enough reason to cast Vikrant Massey.
What?
अमिताभ
Bro,
बच्चन.
तो क्या हुआ? तो
I mean,
dude, like that, तो anyone
We're
can.
not
Nobody
recasting
can fill Amitabh's shoes.
Yeah, exactly. That way तो यार ये
ये डॉन नहीं बने चाहिए यार.
Abhishek's like, what about me?
एक सेकंड.
ओ भाई तूने you featured in Ram Gopal Verma
Verma
की
की
आदत,
yeah,
तू
which
रह
we
गया.
haven't
तुझसे
mentioned
नहीं
so
हो पाया.
far. Yeah.
Yeah. But एक second. So you are basically saying that Vikrant Massey will be taking the case of Varun Dhawan in the entire film.
Yeah,
He'll be snide towards him.
yeah.
See, I think Varun's silver lining would be that I stay till the end and get the girl.
Yeah. And Vikrant would be that I'm in the film.
No, and
Dude, he's playing such an iconic role.
Bro,
He's-
यार.
The thing is, I get
Wait,
the stoic part with Vikrant
Okay,
Massey. The
sure.
sarcasm doesn't come across. Like, Jay's whole thing is like he's very
okay, see,
nonchalant. Like,
correct.
हाँ,
There's-
whatever.
there is a
Yeah.
little bit
He's
of
cool.
in like Haseen Dilruba.
हाँ.
Okay, Vikrant has like a side of him, which is थोड़ा हटके. It's not the usual
Slightly
run-of-the-mill-
twisted.
Slightly twisted.
but
So I
that's
think-
scary, I
Yeah,
think.
but that's not
It's
a
not-
trait
it's
of
not-
Amitabh's Jay.
You know, Jay is likable while being slightly blasé
Yeah,
about
yeah.
most
Man,
things.
see, Vikrant is also 12th fail. You just feel sorry for the guy, dude.
Exactly.
That's the entire
I'm thinking
movie,
of
man.
This bichara face that he has throughout
Yeah.
that film.
उसके अंदर वो dude होना चाहिए भाई. Amitabh was the dude of the film, dude.
Correct,
Dude of the
so
film, dude.
that's what, see, it's all about the writing. Okay, an actor can
Who's writing
meld.
your film?
An actor can
Farhad Samir.
You know, पता है,
That's why he was thinking of Ritesh Deshmukh.
the thing is, पता है, all of us really like Vikrant Massey.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
we
yeah.
are big
I like
fans
him.
of Vikrant Massey.
लगता
It's just
तो
that
नहीं है.
he casts him in so random roles.
Dude, but this makes sense. Of all the things, I think Vikrant is great.
You know, someone was saying that some things, apparently, some actors were saying that कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो आपके inherently अंदर नहीं होती. हाँ, तो एक है, you remember not Zack and Cody. There's a child actor, Josh Peck is his name.
Oh, from, yeah, I know the
from Josh and it was
I
like
know.
a Disney
Yeah, yeah,
show.
okay,
okay?
exactly,
And he
yeah.
was saying that I was always the fat kid who was always made fun of. I had this transformation and I became slightly attractive. Okay, but my persona itself is that I can't be the punch the guy and do
Right.
the dialogue,
Yeah.
and then the village looks at me as like
Right.
he's our hope.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He's saying that prototype is Chris Hemsworth.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
but when I will punch someone, I'll be like rather than punch and be
Right.
the hero.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I
that's where
think
Vikrant
that's where, as an audience, to see Vikrant as the,
See.
the aspirational hero is
Right.
slightly
Absolutely, agreed. You're right. But the thing is, no, like all it takes is one movie to change an actor's persona.
True, true. You know, that's what Varun was banking on with Baby John.
Baby John, yeah.
But
Yeah.
it just didn't
Didn't
work.
work, yeah.
Because Varun wanted to be the hero versus play to his cards.
Okay.
So the Vikrant will be like the reluctant hero.
This is like your Heath Ledger casting.
Yeah.
Whoa! Everyone's like,
Everyone's hating on
So,
it.
so we always debate about this, right? Is if we are doing a recasting, do we mold the character to fit the actor? And that's where we get a little this thing
like
that
for
yes,
every Katrina role, she is British return.
exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe Vikrant Massey will work in your case if we tweak the character of
Yeah.
But,
Maybe.
A little.
but I think always in every role has to be a little tweaked
to,
for
to,
the actor.
to some extent, yes.
For sure.
But it's okay, fine. You have your choice, man.
Fine, stick by it.
The correct choice, you mean. Thank you.
So अभी तक
Okay.
आपके सारे एक्टर्स मिर्जापुर के हैं.
वरुण धवन है
Varun
भाई.
Dhawan,
Right.
Yeah, वरुण धवन का दूसरा चॉइस क्या था आपका?
अली प्रसाद.
गुड भैया.
But better than Divyendu, I would say, Vikrant Massey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So my Jay.
Yeah.
Again, two options. Credits Antariksh. The second one was Lakshay from Kill.
Okay, okay.
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 Interesting.
ठीक है. That
I see it.
At all.
I see it. I see it.
है ना
I don't
ठीक है
know.
एंड अगेन बिकॉज आई सेड कि मेरा स्टार पावर जो है वो विक्की लाने वाला है तो गोज परफेक्टली विद लक्ष्य क्योंकि लक्ष्य इज स्टिल केपेबल ऑफ लाइक यू नो throwing those straight faces remarks
और वो एक्शन सीन में तो
और
गान भर देगा।
एक्शन सीन में तो ऑब्वियसली
Yeah.
मतलब
Yeah.
ठीक है एंड देन द सेकंड ऑप्शन वाज कुणाल कपूर
कुणाल कपूर
Yes.
जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द हाइट
नो ब्रो लाइक यू नो सो उसके स्ट्रेट फेसेस उसके लाइक ब्लैंक लुक्स उसके रिमार्क्स जैसे डॉन में उसने
He has this longing
Yeah, dude,
presence.
exactly.
If you see Meenakshi also, MF Hussein's movie and stuff, it's like
Antariksha had no idea this
It's-
existed
Yeah.
No,
till
no,
this moment.
I only
like-
know the Innama
it's like almost like he's constantly in awe of someone moving, and that's mostly Amitabh Bachchan looking at Jaya Bachchan, right?
सो हाँ एक मिस्टीरियस सा एक कैरेक्टर की जो आपको समझ भी नहीं आ रहा सो आई थिंक कुणाल कपूर कैन प्ले दैट कैरेक्टर रंग दे बसंती में भी उसका थोड़ा ऐसा सिमिलरिश
I get that, but my only thing is Kunal Kapoor comes across a little feel good. Like he brings a sense of he brings something to the screen which is like you
Hope.
like this guy.
but you like
Yeah, you like Jay, no?
But again, Jay is the cool snide guy.
कुणाल is वैसे तो cool yeah.
I guess. Yeah.
I think Kunal Kapoor's played the supporting character for so long. We just can't, you know.
दिस इज माय हीथ लेजर मोमेंट गाइस
He's a good actor. He's a
So then your Jay Viru will be
either Vicky and Lakshay or Vicky or
Kunal Kapoor.
Vicky or Kunal. I like that pair.
Yeah?
It's nice.
Thanks guys
पर if you're going
कैसा लग रहा है आपको पहले ही 2 राउंड में हार मंजूर करके
bro I will stand by
एक सेकंड
Vikrant Massey and Varun Dhawan
आपका आपका गब्बर पंकज त्रिपाठी निकलेगा आपका आपका ठाकुर गुड्डू भैया का बाप निकलेगा फ्रॉम
yeah
मिर्जापुर
correct and
Rasika Duggal playing
रसिका दुकान
Basanti.
plays
yeah,
बसंती
and Shreya Pilgaonkar plays
Jai Bachchan.
जय बच्चन डन दैट्स द कास्ट फॉर
Great. You know it.
शोले
No, but nice. Kunal Kapoor.
थैंक यू
Kunal Kapoor's nice.
थैंक यू
Guys, I get guest privilege.
Yes,
so
of course you do.
for me, Jay is Ranbir
okay
Kapoor.
yes
I think he has a presence where he's slightly monosyllabic, can pull that off.
yeah
Towering presence, slightly nonchalant also if he wanted to be. I feel he is really underrated in action. In the small glimpses of Animal, I feel like he was exceptional.
Yeah.
If you even see Shamshera,
He's, the action bits
some
he's good,
action
yeah.
blocks,
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
amazing in it. And I think he has that attitude which he can pull off where doesn't really care about
Yeah.
much things
And
but has a heart.
When he tells Radha, wipe that lipstick off. He'll make the
and lick that shoe
Sure.
that shoe
But I think when I was seeing Jay, and my ideal casting would have been Ranbir and like on paper what can sell tickets, Ranbir and Varun I was thinking about.
Okay.
But I think a Ranbir Kunal combination I can see also of
Hey,
him
no,
being
no,
slightly-
Ranbir Varun is good. That's all good, man.
No, but you know, with Varun, what Abbas was saying about like personas that seem slightly jarring for a Western,
Right.
which tonally shifts to being very serious rather than slapstick all around. I think Varun tonally might not be the perfect fit, but I respect your choice.
I feel Varun, from everyone else, Varun would look the best in denims.
No, Varun and Ranbir is a very good combo,
Yes.
I believe also.
Yes.
But mine are Ranbir and Kunal.
Nice.
और
Good.
मुझे 10 सेकंड के लिए लगा मैं ट्राइडेंट रिफ्यूज प्रोडक्शन का वीडियो देख रहा हूँ जब वो अनइंटरप्टेड बोले I was like, oh,
Okay, so for whatever reason, I went for physical similarity to Mr. Bachchan.
अभिषेक बच्चन
No, listen, hear me out, guys.
योर फ्रेंड
Okay, so my co-star.
या
My choice for Jay is Sonu Sood.
Bro, no. What?
He's tall.
Hell no.
He has done action. And he kind of can pull that off.
आपने फतेह देखी है बाय एनी चांस
तुमने ट्रेलर
I
देखा
had to review it.
No, I don't think he can pull off sarcasm.
फतेह का लास्ट का पूरा सीक्वेंस पता है वो एनिमल का बीच
It's
का जो
the
fight
same
scene
corridor.
same dude
Nice.
लाल बत्तियां चेहरों पे
Do they play Arjun Velli also in the
No,
background?
no, no.
That would have been, if they could, they would have.
In the background, just footage of Sonu Sood getting people onto the bus.
और पीछे से गाना बज रहा है मुझे घर ले चल मेरे साथ
So my Jain Viru would be Sonu Sood and Siddhant Chaturvedi. Thank you very much.
Bro,
Sonu Sood.
that'll be like
None
a,
of that works. What are you
Why
talking
not?
about?
hey,
Hey,
What are you talking
ek
about?
number,
talking
ek
about?
number.
yeah, imagine Siddharth
Cast मेरी गली में, राम गली के
It's like मेरी गली में हाँ मैं छोड़ के आऊँ क्या तेरी गली में
बस यहीं पे है आपकी
बस यहीं पे है bro
Like,
तेरे गली में
But he's got the same build, you know, he's got the...
I think that's about the only thing he has.
You know, I
no,
love
actually.
Sonu Sood in Dabangg. He's amazing in
yes.
Dabangg.
He's very good in the bunk
Jay though.
So Sonu Sood guys. That's I don't have a backup option. That's the only
Members,
one I
please
have.
stay.
Out of everyone-
Members, don't leave.
Out of everyone, your movie is not getting made over there.
Oh, wait
It's
till you
It's forever. Guys, it's gone on to the back burner for now.
wait till you hear the rest of my cast.
Pre-production, Netflix cancelled.
Yeah. Who should we do next? Thakur?
Yeah, but let's change up the order, right? A little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
with this casting we are just doing Sholay
Or should
Abbas,
and
you go.
Or
Sholay
should
not
we
happy
do?
about it.
Acha,
No, Thakur makes sense because Thakur is introduced first.
or you want to do one of the female actors?
Oh, I think let's go by order of appearance. We should have done Gabbar and Thakur first, like that though. वैसे that
Yeah.
lot. But ठीक है, let's.
You want to
I'm
do
good with
Thakur?
either.
I've got a banger Thakur, guys.
You got
Yeah.
Okay, wow. He
Okay.
can't bang though.
I
Why?
mean, that's
bang.
not the body part that is
What the
being
hell?
taken off.
He
If
can
Stephen
bang.
Hawking can bang, anyone can bang.
No, he can get banged.
no Ramu Kaka helps him no
Okay, stay.
Yeah, we're recasting Ramu Kaka. I don't think.
Yeah, now-
Ramu Kaka hai Ramu.
Somebody has to.
Epstein Ramu Kaka could be Epstein Epstein
Einstein.
sorry उन्होंने
Albert Einstein will be Ramu Kaka.
sorry my bad
What's this banging Thakur?
I fucked
Yeah.
up Daniel and Daniel is fine Epstein is fine
Yeah, same thing,
Who's your
right?
banging?
So this actor has had a resurgence in recent times.
As a leading man.
Oh.
Not exactly, but he adds.
Is it an older actor?
Not old.
I know who
exactly.
you're talking about.
Dalip Tahil.
No.
No.
wow dude
Is that
What was that choice?
Instagram पे नहीं
Can I
बना रहे
guess
शोले।
Abbas?
Ashish
Yes.
Vidyarthi.
Is it Bobby Deol?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh!
This would also connect to the original because Dharmendra was in the original. What's the one thing that comes to your mind when you think of Thakur? He's an ex-cop who's got the intensity in his eyes and face. He's pissed off. He has this stoic face. He's full of anger.
Yeah.
But you also have flashbacks to his cop days, right? Bobby Deol is full of intensity, guys. He's in Animal. He couldn't speak, but his entire body language and face was.
Baba, in Love Hostel, he's insane.
amazing.
He's
Yeah,
insane.
yeah, yeah.
but then how will he do this
Ramu Kaka will do it for him.
Dude,
Okay.
after rewatching Sholay, you realize Deol Jean's dancing, it's just not there.
not, yeah.
It's just not there.
talking to them
Hema
about-
Malini's dancing and Dharmendra's in his own beats.
Bro, have you seen that song मैं तो ऐदा ही नचना
Yeah.
यमला पगला दीवाना का
okay.
कास्टिंग में गाना आता है वो मैं तो ऐदा लाइक जो भी मर्जी दुनिया बोले मैं तो ऐदा ही नचना एंड इट्स ऑल द थ्री देओस राइट इट्स धर्मेंद्र सनी एंड बॉबी सो ऑल ऑफ देम आर डूइंग देयर ओन
thing.
ठीक है सो इट्स लाइक मैं ऐदा ही नचना एंड ही इज डूइंग दिस एंड ही इज डूइंग दिस नाचो मेरे संग या लोनली हो मैं तो
If Abhay Deol was there, he would say, "Ab nazar na."
Bro, there's legitimate in the final cut of ZNMD. You know, there's a step in Senorita where
Yeah,
they go,
he can just
"Ha,"
use-
and he
Yes.
goes the opposite
Yeah.
direction. Arre,
Bro, he
and
has
they kept
no
it in the edit.
Bro, imagine तुमने अभय देओल को ऋतिक के साथ नचाया है।
Yeah.
Nothing will beat. I still remember as a child watching it, Dhoom 2. Okay, Dil na 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 na, and Hrithik is like, "Wow, and Abhishek." And you're like, why are you doing this back and forth?
Bro, I bought this shirt, right? Okay, I bought this shirt and I sent a picture to my mom. Like, I bought this shirt. You know what my mom did? My mom took a screenshot of Dhoom 2 का गाना जहाँ पे अभिषेक बच्चन ये शर्ट पहन ऐसी एक शर्ट पहन
Isn't it the same song? Dil Lagana.
No, it's the
Touch me, don't touch me.
हाँ, touch me, don't touch me.
He's wearing that flowery gown,
उसमें
yeah.
अभिषेक ऐसे करके डांस and my mom takes a screenshot and sends it to me. She's like, तो अभिषेक का बच्चन के कपड़े क्यों खरीद
That is perfect, dude. That's
Hey, enough bad mouthing my
That's
co-star,
awesome.
guys. Let's move on.
So, guys, if
but
you're
yeah.
if you're ever recasting Dhoom 2, say it can be Abhishek Bachchan.
Some people are saying Abhishek's movie that's coming out this
Yeah.
weekend is the best film of the year.
Oh, dude, वो the लापता film.
Kalidhar
Kalidhar
Lapata.
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 Oh, wow, I knew it, of course.
Anyway, so Bobby Deol is my
Good
is
choice,
my
good
Thakur.
Okay.
I can
dude,
see it.
I realized my Thakur would not be a good choice. Fuck.
So, wow, dude, Bobby Deol is just gonna go to movies with different disabilities now at this point.
The fuck?
Why not?
Can't
Yes.
speak,
No,
can't
yeah.
speak.
He had
Can't-
no disability in Houseful 5.
Oh yeah, he was in Houseful 5.
He was in
I
Houseful
think that's the
5.
उसका
disability.
disability क्या था?
He Houseful
नहीं
5
था
कुछ।
नहीं था.
नहीं था वो disability movie थी.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's the disability. Okay.
Who wants to go next?
ठीक है mine is not that good. I'll just get it out of the way. Because I realized कि मेरे mind से वो totally निकल गया था कि पुराने shots और
Yeah, flashback.
young days और flashbacks दिखाना है. तो मैंने बहुत ही old ठाकुर create कर दिया अपने mind में.
It's okay, we'll de-age them.
ठीक है,
Yeah,
it's fine. Yeah.
nowadays-
So my ठाकुर was Pankaj Kapoor, Shahid Kapoor's dad.
Oh.
Because I thought एक वैसा menacing सा एक serious और एक with a mission एक ऐसा character अच्छा वो हो सकता है.
You thought of his Maqbool role.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I actually, my iconic Pankaj Kapoor role is
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
is actually Das.
Oh, you know what his
awesome.
name was?
What?
Jamwal.
Jamal. Oh, yes,
I got
that's
I
right.
got bullied in school because Jambal जब तबला बजाता है ना. So if I would get angry, they would be like, पागल हो गया. I'd be like, bro.
I didn't
And
think
they
about
wouldn't
it.
pronounce it Jambal. They would say Jambal. And they would just be like, अबे भाई.
Jamie pants.
The worst. Because I remember I went with my parents and they were like, उसका नाम क्या है? Jambal. And my mother was like, terrorist का नाम Jambal.
In your defense, though, of Pankaj Kapoor,
Thanks,
casting-
please. Yes.
Pankaj
My
Kapoor-
lord.
Pankaj Kapoor, since I have been seeing him on TV since the early 90s,
Yeah.
has never looked very young to begin
Yeah,
with.
you know, Shahid also speaks about it कि भाई जब मैं 30 साल का हो गया था मेरे बाल झड़ गए थे तेरा भी होगा jeans का. He was trying to tell Shahid because he then started doing character roles, started doing office, and he was looking like a middle-aged
Uncle,
man
yeah,
by
yeah.
that time.
So,
But I can see it. I can
still
see it
see it.
You
also.
guys remember this? There used to be this awesome show where Pankaj Kapoor and Satish Kaushik used
Yes,
to play
yes. Punjabis. Punjabi brothers.
They're like Sardars.
Uh-huh.
I think it was
So-
some Colgate something.
Something
there's a
like
name,
that. I
Close
remember
up.
this. He used to wear a
Or-
red t-shirt and
yeah,
cap,
and he used to wear a
Satish
green
Kaushik
t-shirt.
used to wear green t-shirt and cap.
Yeah.
And they had this whole
it was
thing.
Santa Banda basically. they used to
Intelligent
play.
कौन है
Ah,
man?
correct. Yeah, correct.
something,
Intelligent कौन है?
I used to watch his the Mind Your Language.
Oh yes,
Dude,
Zaban Sambhal
great.
ke.
Zaban
Yeah,
Sambhal
yeah,
ke.
Great.
Damn good.
Again, great.
He did a great detective show called Mohandas BLLB
Yeah.
Yes, you're right.
and Jasus Karamchand, which was
Jasus
the
Karamchand, yeah.
precursor
And
to
that has
that.
to be
No,
one-
so he has both. I can see him in the flashbacks with that Bandgala
Yeah,
when he
yeah,
goes
yeah,
back.
yes.
And
Yeah.
I totally thought of that. And then said it.
Not a bad
Pankaj
choice.
Kapoor, yeah.
Should be confident in your choices.
Thanks, Avi.
Let's get a bad
Not
choice.
you.
Yes, please.
Guys, see.
Kulbhushan Kharbanda.
Guys,
Thakur is Vikrant Messi 8.
please, guys, let's not.
Vijay Verma. Who
Okay,
is
someone will
Okay.
comment, stop bullying Antare.
Okay, so no, it's all good, man. It's all good. I don't get bullied. I think that so basically
Yeah.
Thakur.
एक second, how is Jamie the last one in both the orders?
Okay, I'll go first. I'll
He
go
was the third one.
I'll
Yeah,
I'll
third
say.
most, yeah.
Yeah. My Thakur is KK Menon.
Ooh,
Okay.
interesting.
So I thought Cop also can become the slightly disgruntled old man of the village also. Brings an intensity if you want it against the antagonist. Has been de-aged in special ops multiple times and looks great.
Yeah. Great
So
monologuer.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I think he can command the village also. People will give him attention.
dude, I
and
really like KK Menon. I
Yeah.
love
So I think it can be a good and for like folk like Jay and Viru, someone who can be their leader. I think
Good
can be a good
choice.
option.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay.
KK
Fair
Menon.
enough.
आपने केके मेनन की एक फिल्म है द लास्ट चैप्टर करके एक शॉर्ट फिल्म है
अच्छा नहीं
बहुत सही फिल्म है
Yeah.
जरूर देखना बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है 15 से 20 मिनट की 20-25 मिनट की फिल्म है बहुत अच्छी है जरूर देखना
Okay. What is it about? That's a very random
so he's an author
Yeah.
and he's writing a book and उसका last chapter बचा है and he's doing an Instagram live and he's talking about the fact that कि मेरी last chapter है मैं वो लिखने ही वाला हूँ बस खत्म कर रहा हूँ and then what happens someone comes in his life etc etc etc
And that becomes the
The
last
whole
chapter.
thing is an Instagram live.
no
Okay.
no he's just announcing कि मैं last मेरी जो he's a very celebrated author who writes about women issues and etc and then like things unfold and he's just writing his last book and उसके last chapter के
Where
बारे
can we
में
watch this?
YouTube
Dude, if you get an opportunity to interview him, he's one of the best. If he's in the right mood, the best actor to interview.
Okay.
Like, you mean very frank?
Bro, no, detailed about
Yeah.
the craft, about the industry, about its evolution, and not being senile. कि सब बकवास है,
Yeah,
कोई
yeah,
cinema नहीं बना रहा. Realistic and like very like nuanced with his takes.
Okay. Unlike Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Yeah, unlike some people who, when offers dry, say कि
Yeah,
you know
true.
cinema hasn't
Yeah,
evolved
yeah.
with me. You know वो सब फिर.
Yeah, that's true, man. Fair. Okay, ठीक है. Mine. Thakur. Basically.
गए हो.
Great again. Yeah. But Thakur has to be played with. See, basically, it's an actor whose eyes have to have that raw intensity.
Right.
Okay? I think one of the actors in our industry working today with the most expressive eyes is Ajay Devgan. I think he would be an epic casting for Thakur for exactly that reason.
I can see it.
He would be fucking intense, okay? Jai Viru, especially my Jai Viru, Varun Dhawan and Vikrant Massey would be scared as fuck.
I don't know, can I just tell you why I laughed?
Yes,
I don't know,
yeah.
this is very,
ahead.
like, I apologize in advance, but the moment I imagined the shawl blowing away and Ajay Devgan without arms, it just made me laugh. I'm sorry.
Hey,
I'm
I get
sorry.
your choice.
Right, dude. Yeah, man.
Approved.
Ajay Devgan, may you have your arms forever, man. What the
By
hell?
the way, Ajay Devgan played the
He played,
Dharmendra role in Ram
Veeru,
Gopal Varma.
right?
Yes, correct. So
Who
exactly.
was Jay with him?
This guy.
Some
he
young
was
dude,
launched
some
with
guy.
him,
Yeah,
no?
he was launched with him. Yeah, I don't remember the name.
Because everyone said no to those roles. You know, like Ram Gopal Varma approached like every other major actor at that time, and everyone said no. And they were like, okay, let's ruin this new actor's career.
Ajay Devgan Snail, what do you have to say?
No. I really, bro, like,
Bye. Ajay Devgan's great casting. You are just
यार
at this
नहीं,
point. I
पता
think
है.
you're just poking
no,
holes
like
from
the
there.
thing is कि I don't
Bro,
agree with
if Ajay Devgan, you're fine with being in Tarzan, you have to be fine with being in this fucking movie.
but my reasoning for Tarzan is not the fact that he has the most expressive eyes.
Yeah, but Devgan, Gangajal, and like that police officer role,
Yes.
he's so good in it.
But अभी के टाइम पे जो वो सिंघम टाइप रोल कर रहा है उसके साथ ठाकुर बिल्कुल भी नहीं जा रहा है.
Bro, even Singham has to be just slightly tweaked.
Yeah,
to
that's
become
not a Ajay problem. It's a Rohit Shetty problem.
no, that's true also, yes. I think
Basically, think
Ajay
of
would be
Singham
great.
as an old guy in a village who settled.
But he doesn't get old only.
वही ना, that's a problem with cinema.
Hey, man. Hey.
चलो ठीक है.
I mean, sure.
Yeah. I think, see, also like
He would
slowly,
be my
slowly,
third option maybe.
Like slowly, I feel mine is becoming a movie that it'll finally sell. Okay. Ajay
7
Devgan-
tickets.
Wait, who was your?
Ajay Devgan, Varun,
Okay.
Devendra.
and
Vikrant.
Vikrant Massey. But Vikrant
All
might
of
not
them
sell that
have
much.
I
played a
think-
police officer in some or the other.
I mean, that way most
film.
Indian actors.
I think
have.
Chingari is very interested in this movie. No, but I see personally Ajay Devgan.
Chingari. It's right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Chingari. Never mind.
That's
Okay.
you mean the name of the remake?
No, I think Sholay and Chingari.
Yeah, correct. You're right. That could be the
Sorry.
remake.
But I
Sorry.
can see Ajay Devgan.
Yes, thank you.
Okay,
That's-
sure.
See,
To each their own.
See, exactly. See, the thing is, right? Jamie is the judge, actually.
कुछ नहीं पता ऐसे आ जाता है, बेस्ट है वो.
Then he liked all of our Thakur.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
liked
Yeah,
Bobby
so
Deol, Pankaj Kapoor.
Then
and
we
Ajay
have
Devgan.
3 movies to be made, guys.
I think our Thakurs have not been trolled that much. So
Yeah.
we've
Yeah.
been okay with that.
Yeah. Fair enough.
Okay.
Nice.
I think
Okay,
that was
who
it.
should we go to next?
So wait, you've had Pankaj Kapoor.
Yeah.
You
I
had
had
KK Menon.
Bobby Deol.
Bobby Deol.
Bobby Deol.
Abhay नहीं, sorry.
Ajay Devgan.
Ajay Devgan, yes.
All, I think all good viable options here.
Yeah,
man.
fair.
I think we're going to massively screw up our female casting.
Okay.
But let's
100%.
100%. उतने options ही
Men,
नहीं है.
4 men over here with their informed choices.
So can I go first? I have a very out of left field.
Sure, yes.
Okay.
और बसंती.
So Basanti.
Okay. Or do you want to? अच्छा गब्बर बाद में करते हैं. That's like the big role.
Okay.
हाँ.
This is something I'm very
I'm
excited for right
scared,
now.
huh? Okay.
See, so the thing is, are any of you watching The Traitors?
Hanji.
Dude, are you not obsessed?
Bro,
with
I
that
have to
show right
review
now?
it on Sunday.
I know who you're gonna.
Wait, you stop. But are you not obsessed with that show also?
Bro, I'm telling you, I went in as a hater.
Exactly.
It's addictive as
Fuck, it
fuck.
is
And that's what I'm talking about.
You know who he's
Exactly.
gonna cast, right?
Yep, I know.
Yeah.
Apurva Makhija.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my
Dude,
god.
I must say,
I will make sure this movie.
I'm not I've not been a big fan of hers or been aware of her work that much.
But
Okay.
she won you over.
Dude, in that episode 1 of Traitors, she fucking is badass.
Have
and
you
cannot deny
have you
that.
finished the season?
No, is it the last episode?
It's
is not
10
out yet?
episodes.
Yeah, but it's not out yet, no?
No. So
you
the
have- you
last
got a screener?
episode. Haan.
Okay.
But I felt like that was her peak. Episode
Sure,
1.
I get that.
And then
I
just
get
it was
that.
Raita.
I get that. See, correct, you're right. But also
That was enough
see,
for him to sign her. as much
That
as
show, no?
She
that
has a
show-
spunk for sure.
Yeah, see, exactly.
Sure, yeah,
that
yeah,
show
yeah.
is kind of carried by 3-4 people.
Yeah. And
Okay?
they're all influencers.
Yeah,
by the way.
yeah, correct. They are the
That's-
ones who stand out
Yeah.
way more than the proper actor.
आशीष विद्यार्थी तो सो रहे हैं पूरे episode में.
That's awesome. Also, in its own way, that's awesome. In its own way.
Snails clocked out by the way.
You're the Ashish Vidyarthi of
Bro,
this
see,
podcast.
I understand your reaction because you haven't seen Traitors.
Bro,
That
this
the
is
thing.
where
no, see,
this is
I-
where average view duration goes.
Hey, Apurva will share this. That's enough for us.
So I get.
imagine Basanti wearing a crop top.
I was just about to come to that. That she's Mufat and everything. I get that. But
Exactly.
this is someone who has
Bro,
to
move it if it's the criteria, no?
who has
then
to
that's-
ride a tanga.
I'll get
and say,
Rakhi
"Bhag
also."
Basanti,
No,
bhag."
then anybody can be Basanti. Bro, Basanti is one of the most
Again.
iconic
Dude, but that's
roles,
what.
bro.
See, the thing is, I wouldn't say you. The thing is, she was in Nadania, poor thing. Okay, the movie did her dirty. Okay,
Right.
but I don't think she's a bad actress. She has the potential to be
How,
an
how are
absolute
you judging
great-
her as an actress? She's not acted.
Bro.
Traitors is a
Yeah,
reality
bro,
show.
again, you haven't seen Traitors. That's what I'm saying, dude.
But it's
No,
a
no,
reality
if you
show.
watch it-
I'll tell you, it's
See, her natural
he's looking
persona
at
is
a
so good.
spunky
I get
personality.
that, yeah,
he's
and I
just
agree
good.
on that
Keeps
front.
talking.
Yes.
Mast Mala when she talks.
She doesn't have a shrill voice.
Okay,
So
so
it's not
how
too-
old is Rebel Kid? Is she
23 or something.
She's
Yeah.
23. Okay.
Yeah.
So then you're
Pairing her with
Varun Dhawan.
40-year-old.
Yeah, Varun's gonna say yes to that.
I mean, the actor won't mind, dude.
By the way, Antarish just said 5 minutes ago, मेरी picture बनेगी.
Bro,
He's
right
taking
now,
the
dude,
18
she
to 25
She is
age
literally one of the most popular figures in online
Agreed,
internet
yes.
right now.
Baba, but
For
social
sure.
media guys, the most popular guys also don't sell tickets.
That's true
Carrie
also.
Minati पे runway 34 baker
हाँ,
किसी
बेचने की
ने
कोशिश
नहीं
करी
देखी.
थी, नहीं हुआ था.
किसी ने
That
नहीं
is true.
Dude,
But
Runway
that's
34
why-
का remember the marketing strategy? They made Ajay Devgan rap to Yashraj Mukhate's beat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
like he was interested, like actively doing it. You should see Raid 2. Ravi Gupta's done like an interview with him, and Ajay
Yeah,
Devgan and
yeah,
Ritesh
yeah.
Desh were almost sleeping only.
But
थोड़ा interest दिखा दो यार.
वैसे तो like I made a big thing about Ajay Devgan's eyes and all over expressive. But in the last 2-3 movies that I've seen of his, every movie looks like he's about to fall asleep. any
Sleepwalking,
second,
dude.
Any second.
Sleepwalking.
His eyes are barely open. I think he's
Raid
on
2,
something or
watch
something.
it. He's almost like snoozing.
For sure. Raid 2, fucking Singham.
और आधा टाइम तो
fight.
चश्मा ही पहना हुआ है too.
Bro, that's, with all our like 60-year-old stars, they're all wearing chashmas
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah.
It's because of
रात भी ये साला चश्मा पहना हुआ है.
Yeah.
They say some of the VFX guys tell me that it helps in de-aging. You don't have to deal with
Yeah,
eye
the
contact or
lines,
anything.
lines around
So it's
your
just
eyes,
one
yeah.
coat
Yeah.
of paint on the skin. If you see किसी का भाई किसी की जान ना
Oh, yes,
बिल्ली
of
बिल्ली
course, yes.
तो उसमें सलमान खान ने वो
हाँ,
पहना
चश्मा पहना हुआ
हुआ
है,
है और
dude, yes.
पूरा एक ऐसे मतलब white ऐसे कर दिया.
Slate. Yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
I
कोई
watched-
texture है ही नहीं skin में.
I watched किसी का भाई किसी की जान in Gaiety.
Gaiety.
The best experience of my life.
But didn't it create a perception कि blockbuster?
Bhai, it is a blockbuster for me in my head, bro.
That's
like
right.
the two films that my number one film going experience is
Badass Ravi
Kumar.
Oh, yeah.
For sure.
again,
and the
I love
number
that
two
movie.
is किसी का भाई किसी की जान.
Yeah.
Dude, पूरी पिक्चर में ना एंड में सलमान शर्ट उतारता है, ठीक है भाई. एक बंदा लिटरली गॉट अप ऑन हिज सीट, उस शर्ट उतारा, चिल्लाया अरे भाई ने शर्ट उतारा
You know about
शॉट फेंक दिया क्राउड में
you know who's the villain of Bus?
In Kisi Ka Bhai, I've seen it. The boxer Vijender
Vijender
Singh.
yeah dude and he loses to Salman in a boxing
I know.
fight.
I remember that.
Crazy shit bro लोग भाई गुलदस्ता लेकर आए थे कि स्क्रीन के आगे गुलदस्ता रख दिया लोग सिक्के फेंक रहे हैं ब्रो किसी का भाई
Do you think
Coming back
Salman
to-
fits in the cast of Sholay
I
somewhere?
thought of that
even I
somewhere.
thought of
Like
Salman
where?
but नहीं हुआ
I couldn't. Yeah.
yeah
Okay.
couldn't
Any of the Khans you think fit anywhere in Sholay?
no I was thinking Salman and Shah Rukh to be Jai Viru but वो बिल्कुल ही नहीं
मैं
हुआ
आमिर को जेलर बनाने का सोच रहा था, but then I was like,
Hey, again, that would be very interesting.
आप लोगों को
If he-
वरुण धवन फनी लग रहा
Bro,
था
bro, so
see-
in Lapata Ladies, how he wanted to play the Ravi
Dude, and
Kishan
cameo
role.
करते हैं लोग यार, ठीक है ना? Asrani is basically a
Yeah, he
cameo.
was willing to play Ravi Kishan's role in
In
Lapa.
Lapata, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Good he didn't. do it.
But Rebel
Because
Kid,
Ravi Kishan was awesome in
Yeah,
that.
he was amazing.
my final word on your Rebel Kid casting is it'll get gasps and cheers when her introduction scene happens, but it'll get stale very soon.
Why? Why do you say? Why
Because
do you,
it's
like,
one note throughout.
You know, for me
Hema Malini was
also,
not
she
one note.
is. She still gives me high school energy
Yeah.
rather than the girl next door energy who I'll imagine my leading man to be romantically involved with.
That's
I don't know.
a
She
good
gives
argument
me. She
as well,
gives
yeah.
me more high school
Yeah.
Nadania energy.
Nadania energy
which,
exactly
You know, rather
perfect
than,
casting for Nadania
You know, so the thing is, no, right
Not
now
for sure,
in
yeah.
my life, right now, at this moment, I feel like I'm
Obsessed with Rebel
Yeah,
Kid.
I'm like a lifelong fan now because of this moment that I've seen her fucking do.
You know why?
Antariksha and 16-year-old girl.
And she
I
co-
want her to do so well.
and
So
she calls
I
out Raj Kundra like fuck.
Oh, really?
And then
Badass, dude.
you know, and it showed like the generational difference.
Yes,
Huh? The Raj Kundra was like, hey, I can like manipulate everyone and all, and this girl was
And
just
she's
like, nahi bhai.
She's like,
तूने
shut
ये
up,
किया,
Raj.
तूने
Let me
ये
finish,
किया."
Raj. Shut up.
And everyone was just like,
So okay, there's a woman on the show. Okay, her name is Jasmine, and she says something like, "के अपूर्वा, मुझे लगता है आप ट्रेटर हो क्योंकि whatever reason she says." Apurva's response is, मुझे लगता है आप सबसे बड़ी बेवकूफ हो. She says that.
bro,
On the show.
but
Badass.
but you know what I found, I never thought I'll have uncle energy, but I just repurposed while watching it, thinking, fuck, I'm such an uncle. Is like for them in vocabulary. Everything is good. And it's almost you know, they say it so casually.
Yeah.
और वहाँ पर आशीष विद्यार्थी, सुधांशु सिंह, ऐसे old people, और वो कह रहे हैं बैंड हो गया तो क्या? And you're just like, bro, relax.
If Prime is okay with this, they're not.
Bro,
releasing
nothing censored.
stuff? Oh, okay. Now I'll watch it.
प्राइम पे ही है मिर्जापुर
It's
Mirzapur is a different thing. It's a
dude, in
village
terms of
over.
reality show, I think this is a very watchable, very fun one.
They
Okay,
killed
I'll
it,
give it a
वैसे.
shot.
Genuinely, they killed it.
they've renewed it
Traitors
for season 2
propaganda on our Sholay episode
They've-
was
they've
not on my
renewed it,
bingo
yeah.
card, but
Yeah.
sure.
Apurva, please come on the show. We would love to have you all.
I mean, yeah, if you want to come
yeah
on
if
the
you
show,
come
then
on the
please.
show yes you are the
They're
best
like,
basanti talk about sellouts guys
You can say Bencho here also. It's all good.
it's fine हम सब कलिशी औरत का क्रॉप टॉप पहन के बैठेंगे okay so Rebel Kid is
Antariksh's choice.
The greatest choice.
I was going to say
Of all
Antariksh's
time.
Dhanno. Sorry, no, not Basanti.
But that no.
नहीं है भाई but चलो
Yeah.
my basanti
Yes.
two options one was Kriti Sanon
Okay. No.
we
no
didn't have.
okay
No, bro.
okay then the good one like the number one yeah number
But
two was Kriti Sanon
Kriti Sanon-
but I can see Kriti Sanon do
Yeah,
it
sure.
yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
So the thing is,
Jam is very
she's-
quiet.
No, no, let's
So see, I feel Kriti is right up there in terms of like acting and all. She's very good. Okay, she's a looker, fucking amazing. I don't know if she can be the fast-talking, rapidly energetic kind
Yeah,
of.
I think
persona.
she did that in the Rajkumar Rao Ayushmann
Bareli?
Khurrana film Bareli Ki Barfi.
Yeah, barely. No,
Nahin,
she wasn't
bro,
the
she wasn't- yeah,
she wasn't the
not really.
spunky
Yeah,
like Mufat type.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
it's like
ठीक है,
second.
the top spot was Sanya Malhotra, guys.
High five, my low five, whatever.
She
my
would
choice is
kill
also
it.
the same.
Kill it, no?
She would
Yes.
kill it.
I'm upset. Why did I think of Sanya Malhotra?
And bro, she, you know, the one thing while I was thinking about Alia,
Yeah.
because I was trying to pair Varun and Alia together,
Sure.
I was getting flashbacks to Rocky or Rani, and whenever she starts mumbling, na, like fast dialogues,
Yeah.
her voice gets shriller and shriller and shriller. And I was like, I cannot deal with, because I was getting slightly exhausted with Hema Malini's dialogue also. So I was just like, it has to be someone who just is, you know, interesting while rambling also. Sanya
So
would
Sanya
kill it.
was the top spot, yes.
Yeah, for me also. She's pretty, she's spunky, she can pull off
She gives that independent, strong vibe also.
She is absolutely the girl next door.
the
for
girl-
sure.
yeah,
And then she would be paired with Siddhant Chaturvedi in my movie. So I think that's a nice pair also.
For me,
Yeah,
it
I
would
think
be
remove
Vicky.
the Siddhant Chaturvedi.
Vicky and Sanya Malhotra. Dude, new pair.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Varun and
huh?
Sanya Malhotra. And
Okay, my Basanti is Vamika Gabbi.
Okay.
Because
Interesting.
I've seen some of her work in Punjabi cinema also.
Yeah.
Bro, she's the most gangster, Mufat Panju girl. So for me, Hindi cinema has not seen half of what her potential is. But if she gets that spunky role, she's at par in my opinion. If she gets that Jab We Met
Right.
prototype,
Yeah.
she can kill it.
man, yeah,
Yeah.
I like her. I think you could be right.
You know, right now we've, I think, seen her in that Vikramaditya Motwane series, Jubilee.
Jubilee,
And
yeah.
a terrible film like Baby John.
Right.
So, like,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, baby.
I feel like
Bhool Chuk
Bhool Chuk
Maaf
Maaf.
also.
Bhool
yeah.
Chuk
Bhool Chuk Maaf, again, like, not a very
Yeah.
well written film in
She's
my
also
But
opinion.
she's
in
not bad
Khufia.
in Bhool Chuk Maaf.
Khufia also, yeah.
Khufia, she's great,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
again, intense thriller, right? But if you see her Punjabi cinema films and you see her Malayalam film, okay, she's done this movie with Tovino Thomas in it. She is playing a wrestler in it, okay?
Wow.
So fucking banging energy and not. I think shrill is the one word that I keep on thinking of, because I remember Rocky or Rani being like, oh my
You didn't like
god.
Rocky and Rani at all?
I loved it,
Yeah,
but
I loved it, yeah.
bro, but I think Ranveer carried that
Oh,
film.
100%.
Ranveer,
Carried
bro.
that
Oh,
film.
there's that. I'll keep talking. So please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry.
Slight rant.
Yeah, sure.
सबका हृदय परिवर्तन होता है उस पिक्चर में. आलिया
आलिया
के
का ही नहीं
अलावा
होता
तुम बदलो मैं तो ठीक हूँ.
Dude,
हाँ?
Correct.
Bro,
That is true.
I have
That is
had so many fights on this because my sister is an absolute Alia stan.
Oh, really?
ठीक है?
Okay.
And I have so many friends who have. I've after Rocky Rani, I had the biggest complaint that the one you rightly just said कि भाई पूरी पिक्चर में सब बदलते हैं एक इंसान के लिए dude, and how is she right the entire
Time.
time?
And that one moment where Ranveer stands up for
Yeah.
herself, that why do you raise your hand?
Exactly.
She's like, मैंने क्या गलत किया? मैंने क्या गलत? And the mothers are also saying, hey, listen, you went a little overboard. अरे she,
पर आप
you know,
समझते नहीं मम्मी.
accountability was zero.
Yes.
Anyway.
भाई ये
What a
मैं-
nice film, guys.
ये वाला बिट काट के मैं अपने उन सब दोस्तों को भेजूंगा.
In comparison, Ranveer in that movie, like as you said, carries it.
Yeah.
That one scene where that speech scene.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I watch that scene every time on YouTube and I'll cry, I'll tear up because his acting is so good. Makes
So
me
good.
feel so many things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Are you tearing up right now? Did you see this?
No, I'm
vibe? You literally wiped away and I
Yeah.
teared.
So good.
Worst,
but yeah.
sorry. Worst scene. जया बच्चन के सामने उनकी स्वीट शॉप में बोल रही है खेल शुरू करें.
Excuse me. नहीं.
Yeah.
खेला हो बे.
मतलब
That and also the
शुरू करे जैमी नो.
Yeah.
sorry
Yeah.
yaar, but
Also
they made Jaya Bachchan such a unlikable
Yeah,
villain. It just like pissed me. Okay. Anyway, sorry.
ठीक है. अब बस.
Sanya Malhotra, mine also.
Sarod
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So Basanti's done.
Yeah, so all done, yeah.
Basanti's all
Oh
right.
nice.
I just want to say Vamika Gabbi is in Modern Love. I think Vishal Bhardwaj has
Yes,
a,
yes.
a segment
Okay.
with Mayank Chang and Vamika Gabbi. She's really good in that, and that short film is also really good.
Bro for some reason वामिका का नाम लेते हैं माइंड में वो प्रेमिका ने प्यार से जो भी कह दिया. Bro bang in PR on that
Yeah,
song,
yeah.
dude. Bang in PR.
Wait, what is the PR thing?
eyes and
They, I,
you know.
like so एक पैप बोलता है कि वामिका जी आंखें ठीक है ऐसे करके बोलता है and she's getting in the car and she just gives like a very cute expression and just like एक look देती है आंखों से तो उसके edits बन के वायरल कर दिए थे
क्या बात
and
ये प्रेमिका वाला एक trend चल रहा था।
प्रेमिका ने प्यार से और उसने अपने इंस्टा बायो में डाल दिया था भाई प्रेमिका करके कुछ ऐसा
Okay. Okay.
Cool. Should we cast Radha? Will
Yeah.
we cast Radha?
Yes.
Played by Jaya
Jaya
Bachchan.
Bachchan.
In the original. Should I go first?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Okay, so Radha is the quieter widow
Yes.
who doesn't speak much, but she's beautiful. She's quietly graceful. So
Yeah.
I've gone with Aditi Rao Hedri as
the quintessential Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Like the most serene, straight.
yeah, I can see her walking around with a.
straightforward
बट देन
lantern.
वो फ्लैशबैक में जो वो एकदम बबली चर्पी
हाँ, क्यों नहीं? वो भी हो सकती है.
Her
Aditi Rao
character
Hedri.
in Padmavat was this only,
Yeah,
like looking outside the window.
Yeah, correct.
So yeah,
Okay.
perfect casting. Aditi Rao Hedri.
Nice, Aditya Roy.
I
So
mean, yeah, it works.
Aditi
Like,
Rao
see,
Hedri
so but
and
see,
Sonu
again-
Sood. Sonu Sood creepily looking at her playing a mouth organ.
Aditya Roy Hedri का audition brief would be Padmavat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More or less, yeah.
Padmavat.
The thing is, like, she has done this role too many times. I mean,
Yeah,
every role
which
this
is
role.
why-
Yes.
which
So
is
that's
why-
basically a typecast.
Okay, I'll go for that
I'm
one.
going for your final.
Rest of my others are way away from
Sonu
typecast. And Bobby Deol.
And Bobby, yes.
Yeah.
I think
Bobby.
like what happens is a lot of actors.
एक रोल तो टाइपकास्ट होना चाहिए
हाँ,
ना, कि
come
हाँ.
on.
ठीक है, चल fair.
Yeah.
ठीक
चलो,
है, fair
ठीक है.
enough.
ठीक है, I'll go
चला
next.
लेते हैं.
So again, beauty.
And the Beast.
So Beast being Kunal, the beauty here I have gone for is Shraddha Kapoor.
Okay.
The-
Bro,
I can imagine the
Bro.
holy scene for sure. For sure.
but the thing is, Shraddha will want to do the boisterous role way more, dude.
But then again, don't typecast to Antariksh.
Hey, bhai, एक तो ऐसा
So
कर
then essentially you see her plain as a plain Jane throughout the
Yeah.
film, so that one moment pops out more.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
ऐसे तो काजल को ले लेते हैं.
ले लो.
Too old.
Just because she's your Ajay is your Thakur.
काजोल को इसकी बेटी बना दोगे. बहू.
Hey, man.
Crime Patrol guys.
Okay.
But yeah, Shraddha
Okay, I have
Kapoor
a
like
question. Is there any way you can go wrong with this role? Because, like, all due respect to Jaya Bachchan,
It's a bit
she's
You can't
mostly
go
you
wrong
have to
in my
look
opinion.
calm and serene throughout the.
yeah. So
throughout
I
the
think that's why I thought कि कोई भी almost मतलब I was going for कि no makeup look की तरफ अगर आप जाओ
Yeah.
तो
The
उसमें
only-
कौन सबसे ज्यादा अच्छे
the
तरीके से
only
pull off कर पाएगा.
Necessity here is it doesn't have to be someone very glamorous.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Jaya Bachchan in that holy scene looks like a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the way she's running out.
Yes.
That's true. Okay, fair
So yeah,
enough.
Shraddha.
Fair enough.
Shraddha.
Fair enough.
Who do you have? Sunny Leon.
Yeah, not glamorous at all. Correct. Why would? So again, going
I was
by
watching Roadies one day.
Neha Dubey would be amazing, dude. Rhea Chakrabarti. Comeback role.
Yeah.
Rhea Chakrabarti.
The chapter 2.
Yes. So again, a person who just has to look extremely serene, extremely poised the
Yeah.
entire movie, right? Restrained.
I should clarify. We're not saying that acting doesn't need work. It's
No,
not like
yeah.
they just have to be.
Aishwarya?
But yeah.
No. See, so in my opinion, it has to be someone. So the actor I've chosen, is
Yeah.
not great at the spoken word, in my opinion. Okay.
Ooh, clever.
But she is very good at looking extremely serene, poised. Like calm. All those characteristics that define Radha's character.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think Sonam Kapoor would be very good in this.
Who said not glamorous?
Sunu Aisha.
But see, she has done those like slightly less glamorous roles, like
Yeah.
in Bhag Milkha, in
Kind of see Savaria
in,
also.
Savaria also,
Yeah.
and in one more. अभी कौन सी आई थी यार इसकी? there's one
Neerja?
more- नहीं, not Neerja.
Delhi
Neerja also,
6.
yes. Delhi 6 also. Yes, Delhi 6 also applies in that.
But she's
regard.
still playing a very bubbly girl in all
but
of these films.
so Bhag Milkha Bhag and Ranjana
Huh.
a little bit also, but Bhag Milkha is especially she's a straight shooter.
Okay.
Doesn't not like overly talkative or something. Has to give like certain looks here and there throughout the movie. I think this role is like meant for her. I think Jaya ke liye she would be great casting for Jaya because and no other role. I would never cast Sonam in anything. Okay,
What is
You didn't have to
she's
say
a horrible actress in general.
No, my hot take is Sonam Kapoor in good hands can actually pull off good roles.
Okay,
I agree.
Then we'll
you
come
go.
to our director casting to realize what's good hands or not.
Dude,
But
Aisha
yes.
is my. I don't even want to call it a guilty pleasure. It's a well-made film, according to me.
Really.
Yeah.
Why didn't Abhay Deol agree that it's a good film?
He says it's bad.
After the release, he said, "I will
really?
never do."
Oh yeah. So Abhay
this
Deol was
kind of
trying to
thing.
pull off an
That's
Amir.
his
I think
And Anil Kapoor in Coffee with Karan is like, he needs some help.
I think what happened with Abhay, if I remember correctly,
Yeah.
is that he felt his role was shortchanged or something.
Probably.
That probably happened.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
like,
don't
I
know.
think
Okay.
it seems like he had a bigger role, like in
Probably.
the angle.
Yeah.
चलो कोई नहीं.
Aisha.
Okay, Sonam.
Oh, for
Sonam for
me, Radha is a Wake Up Sid casting Konkana. So I did Ranbir and Konkana together again.
Oh,
and
Konkana does not age, dude.
yeah,
She
so
has not
bro,
aged.
it's insane. I was just seeing her Metro in Dino interviews. Also, she
Exactly.
still looks the same.
Exactly.
And you know,
Konkana was the first
Choice.
celebrity spotting that I
damn.
had in Mumbai. Yeah.
Where did you see her?
ब्रो आराम नगर का ब्लूटो का ही है ना ठीक है तो मैं वहाँ पे खड़ा होके कॉफी ऑर्डर कर रहा था आई हैड अ मीटिंग एंड सडनली समवन सेज माय यूजुअल एंड आई एम लाइक कौन है भाई जिसका यूज आई एम लाइक ओके सॉरी एंड शी इज जस्ट स्टैंडिंग विद अ चाइल्ड देयर एंड शी इज आई एम लाइक एंड आई जस्ट एक हफ्ता हुआ था एंड आई टेक्स्ट माय मॉम लाइक मेरे पीछे कौन कर रहा था
oh my god, did you take a selfie?
no और लाइक भाई मुझे कॉफी लेना है मैं उसको क्या बोलूं एक फोटो ले लो उसके बाद
She says
coffee
my
ले लो."
usual and gives her eggs from Wake Up Sid.
My first celebrity spotting was Zaid Khan.
Wow.
wow,
Okay.
Because he was the brand ambassador for Pizza Hut.
Right.
And my best friend's father was the manager in the CP outlet. And he came, was like, hey, tan pizza. I'm like, autograph, please.
Oh, what year was this? This is like
2004, 5.
मेमूना के
No,
टाइम
no,
पे ही
no,
हो
no,
रहा
Yeah,
था
yeah, yeah. When he was getting brandy.
Yeah.
Right. But
Yeah, I think Konkana fits the bill. I think can have a sense of the combination of Ranbir having a sense of longing for her,
Right.
her being sad for most of it. But I feel like even her being glammed down, I've seen in
Yes.
like Omkara
Omkara.
and stuff,
So-
and she looks beautiful still.
Yeah.
to add to what you're saying, right? If you wanted to give this is weird. If you wanted to give Sholay a slightly horror tinge, I think also for that Konkana would be great. So because Bengali horror, Bengali haunted, homes. So Konkana.
You know, this is what every subscriber in my comment section in my is like. सारे बंगाली भूत नहीं होते. तुम सालों ने दिमाग खराब कर दिया है मेरा.
किसी ने हमारी वीडियो में भी कमेंट किया था कि आई एम टायर्ड ऑफ पीपल शोइंग बंगालीज एज
Black
ब्लैक
magic.
मैजिक
Yeah,
दिस दैट दिस
Hey,
दैट
एक तो stereotype हो सकता है, अपना type का हो सकता है मेरे यहाँ पे.
Oh God.
I was in Konkana is the one who aces it in wearing saris. So in that regard, she's a winner.
हाँ वैसे तो फिर तो रेखा को भी रख सकते हो आप
Rekha, Umrao Jan really has re-released. It's fine.
You know, it's crazy with Fitur that they were planning to do the movie with Rekha first. Tabu's role in Fitur. And they shot the movie with parts of it, but I guess she became uncomfortable or whatever.
Oh, wow, okay. Guys, we have just a few cast members left.
Yeah.
Let's get to one of the main cast
Yes.
members. Fucking Amjad Khan Gabbar.
The character of
The
Sholay.
character.
Yeah,
The,
yeah.
the defining
Yes.
character, of course.
yes
100%.
debut
Debut.
Debut.
Dude, can you imagine that? Can you imagine
They say he did something called Hindustan Ki Kasam or something
Acha.
before this.
I have no idea.
no I so
Yeah?
what I've heard is कि that this was his debut role but
Did he do the theater or something before this?
वो बताया नहीं मेरे को उसने
Oh,
तो
okay, shit, yeah. Oh,
रमेश
बाकी सब everything that you talk about वो लोग बाकी बता के आए तेरे को. I don't know.
No, no, I was there. He did.
So apparently Ramesh Sippy wanted Danny Denzongpa as Gabbar.
Yeah.
ठीक है he wanted to make गब्बर का कैरेक्टर डैनी डेंजोपा के साथ लेकिन डैनी की डेट्स नहीं थी so they went with Amjad Khan and half of the movie was shot and Ramesh Sippy
Wait, half the movie was shot with Danny Dongzapa?
no
Yeah.
no
No.
with the
They have a cast photograph
हाँ,
of them
with,
just before
with
shooting.
Amjad Khan, ठीक है, but they say that Ramesh Sippy was not happy and he was like, नहीं मुझे डैनी ही चाहिए, मैं अपना बजट बढ़ा दूंगा, प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट बढ़ा दूंगा, but I will reshoot the entire thing but with Danny. But the entire cast convinced him कि bro ये बहुत सही कर रहा है,
क्या बात
continue.
कर रहा है?
And that is when they continued with Amjad Khan.
That's a rare one, no? The director not being
Yeah.
on board with the cast.
Yeah.
It's
And
usually the
then-
other way around.
Exactly. And then he was like कि चलो मैं कर लेता हूँ. And then when the movie released, Gabbar became
Can
the
you
most
imagine?
Also,
iconic.
everybody wanted to play Gabbar. Amitabh Bachchan wanted
Amitabh
to play
wanted to
Gabbar.
play.
Dharmendra
wanted to play
Yeah,
Gabbar.
Which
yes.
is why Amitabh Bachchan said yes to
Ram
RGV's
Gopal
arc.
Verma की arc.
And that was one of the driving forces for him to make that film because he was like.
Ram Gopal Verma ने क्या manipulate किया ना अमिताभ को यार.
I think Amitabh ने Ram Gopal Verma को manipulate
Oh.
किया. That if you make this, I'll play Gabbar. And what bigger
I think-
name can you get?
Yeah, it was probably the other way around.
It was hilarious. He just
This
was
was-
doing these interviews, RGV, and he said after RGV ki aag, everyone started saying, "Why does Gabbar have a cough?" And that was the laugh that Amitabh Bachchan was doing in the movie. Hilarious. So bad.
But yeah, who wants to go
Gabbar.
for? So before we started rolling, I texted Antariksha. I'm like, can I choose AI Amjad Khan for Gabbar's role? Because
How do you
I
replace-
don't think anybody can do justice to that.
I think I have some interesting options.
Okay.
So this one के लिए I actually have 3 options.
Okay.
2 I'm very like leaning towards.
Okay.
Okay, so one.
I have a feeling
the
one of
throwaway.
you might have my option also.
Okay,
but
so
yeah, go
the
ahead.
first throwaway option.
Huh.
Okay, throwaway because this guy does play the villain and he's good
Huh.
at playing the villain. And I think this one where the everything is performative. Okay, this guy is when he's shooting the kid dead, he's performative. When he's shooting the family, when he's like cutting his hands off, it's all performative.
Okay.
Okay, nothing is just said with a straight face. Everything is like larger than
Yeah.
boisterous or whatever, right? I think Prakash Raj would be a good option here.
Okay.
Okay, he does these kind of roles. Like,
Yeah.
Prakash Raj is not, in my mind, the subtle actor. Okay,
Not
he's,
at all.
Yeah, he's the exaggerated expression
Yeah.
and good at that.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a place for that kind of acting, and he's very good at that.
Yeah.
Peak Prakash Raj was crazy.
Yes, exactly.
Wanted,
Want-
Singham.
Oh, yes,
Dabangg 2.
Ghajini also,
Yes.
right?
No,
No,
not
Ghajini,
Ghajini, okay.
No, not. But yeah, I think Prakash Raj would
Yes.
fit like perfectly as a glove in this. My other 2 options. One is like again because this actor does a lot of these hatke roles. कभी villain कर लेगा, कभी कुछ और random role कर देगा, कभी दिल्ली से बोल देगा.
Oh, Saif Ali Khan.
As Gabbar.
As
Bro,
Gabbar.
if he can play
Interesting.
Ravan, he
Exactly.
can.
Yeah, but it did
Interesting.
exactly.
Interesting.
No, if we can do Langra Tyagi, then
Yeah, he
Oh,
can.
yeah.
Absolutely.
Haan.
Exactly. Langna Tagi was exactly the benchmark I was going for, right? So Saif, again, good option. But, dude, a role where people will fucking run
lose
to
their
the
mind.
screen. Run to the screen to watch this movie.
Apna Duggu.
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 Wait, all 3 of you have Hrithik Roshan?
No.
No, but they had figured out what my...
But I'll.
I'd said Hrithik was part of my casting somewhere. I think they both concurred.
Bro, I also have Duggu as
As
one
Gabbar?
of the options for
So,
Gabbar.
I
Yes.
think fucking just going by Vikram Veda, okay?
Yes.
I think he's so underappreciated in Vikram Veda.
Bro,
It is
Vikram
criminal.
Veda was very underappreciated. dude.
Criminal how
I really
underappreciated he
liked
is.
Vikram Veda.
I think he would
Abbas like,
I haven't seen the Hindi version.
Oh, okay. I would like for Hrithik, watch it just for
Yeah.
Hrithik's fucking
Okay.
change in that movie. He's a different person, dude. He's amazing.
बहुत अच्छा था Vikram
So
Veda.
yeah, I think Hrithik would sell seats, fucking acid and seats. Extreme glamour, gives himself to the role. Okay, always like he'll be the person who takes this role the most serious from
The most
all,
seriously, yes.
our castings actually. I think
Okay.
Hrithik.
Yes.
I like nice. I like that.
I also have
You guys
Hrithik
all-
as an option, but then I was
Yeah.
like, ki, probably like people would not be very psyched about Hrithik.
Yeah, my thing is I haven't seen Vikram Veda, but there's another inherent likability to Hrithik, I feel.
people are saying, you
Like,
know, they say this about Super 30 and Vikram Veda कि नहीं देखना हमें ऋतिक को ऐसे बेचारा
Exactly,
टाइप नहीं देखना.
Is this gonna be the other way? No acid and seats.
No, bro,
I
that's what
can't-
happened with Vikram Veda.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know,
right,
people were saying, I can't imagine Hrithik as this rugged UP gangster.
Right.
Yeah.
You know,
No, for me, it's like I can't imagine Hrithik killing an entire village on Holi.
Bro, so apparently Hrithik was also offered, he was also about to play Ravan in the Ramayana. And he turned it down after he saw what a bomb Vikram Veda was. And after he saw कि उसको कोई पसंद नहीं, मतलब people
See,
don't want to watch.
Ravan I can see him doing because Ravan is theatrical.
And still a
He's
king
a
in a way.
showman
Yeah.
in a way, right? Gabbar is a very sadistic character. Like उसको मजा आता है लोगों
Again,
को
like,
मारने में.
okay,
ऑल्सो
nobody
सॉरी
can deny-
जस्ट अ डिस्क्लेमर
yeah,
ना मुझे नहीं पता बहुत सारी रामायण बन रही हैं कौन सी वाली रामायण की
वो
हाँ
कह रहे थे नमित मल्होत्रा वाली
हो
में
सकता
हो
है,
सकता
हाँ.
था.
Okay.
Number
But
one,
Yash
that
is playing him
यश इज
now.
प्लेइंग द प्रोड्यूसर
So that's the Ranbir one, no? You're talking about?
Yeah, the Ranbir.
अच्छा हाँ तो दैट वन ऑल्सो अपेरेंटली जयदीप
the slap.
अहलावत जयदीप अहलावत ने भी बोला that he was about to play विभीषण in this रामायण
Okay.
but डेट्स मैच नहीं हुए रावण और विभीषण के
Okay. Yeah, my casting is
Ravan
Hrithik.
or
I think you
ठीक
guys
है,
all agree.
ठीक है
I
तो
would say.
ऋतिक मेरा भी one was ऋतिक but the other one was रणदीप हुड्डा
Okay.
I did think of him.
ब्रो सो अभी एक मूवी आई है जाट करके ठीक है
अभी नहीं आई है.
अभी वही अभी आई
महीने
थी।
इसी साल,
दो-
इसी
दो
साल.
महीने पहले भाई उसका सीक्वल भी अनाउंस कर दिया जाट 2 करके ठीक है बट
Jatu. Wow. Bro, Randeep in the first half is killer.
किलर यस
फिर वो हक देते हैं.
हाँ दैट वाज माय रेफरेंस फॉर द रोल लाइक द कास्टिंग गब्बर अगर आप लोग अब आ गई है OTT पे अगर आप लोग जाट कभी देखो फर्स्ट हाफ तक तो रणदीप
Solid film till the first half. फिर they get into nuclear power, end of world. मैंने कहा भाई इतनी अच्छी picture.
Isn't the central plotline about like someone dropped his idli or something?
Bro, it's about him saying sorry bolo.
yeah
Sorry.
he gets inconvenienced in a dhaba
correct.
and he's like sorry क्यों नहीं
Sorry
बोला
क्यों नहीं बोला?
तो वो कहता है मेरा बॉस ये है वो उसके पास जाता है सॉरी बोल वो कहता है कौन है तू वो कहता है that's so the ultimate boss is Randeep
Oh, that's
and he's
it.
like all I wanted was a sorry
Sorry, हाँ.
and then Randeep says ठीक है sorry and while he's leaving he gets to know that he's abducted police officers and is but then they go into यहाँ पर यूरेनियम है और यूरेनियम में न्यूक्लियर भाई
What?
हाँ वो
Screw
सेकंड
up.
हाफ तो इज अ स्पाइरल
Oh, Sunny Deol is not some random person.
Yeah.
He's an army veteran.
एंड आर्मी के पूरी फोर्स के बराबर एक इंसान है
Of course. That is
Sunny
of course.
sorry,
रणदीप हुड्डा स्लैश ऋतिक रोशन
Hrithik definitely the
Yeah,
better option.
I prefer Hrithik
है ना?
between the two.
Thanks.
Bro, I'm a big Hrithik stan. I unapologetically.
You- both of
another
you,
Yes,
by
I
the
know.
way.
I get trolled for it every day.
Who's your Gabbar?
Mine is Manoj Bajpayee.
High five.
No,
Mine
not
also.
pretty great. Pretty great. Pretty fucking
Mine is
great, I would
because
say.
I felt Gabbar's laugh was so iconic,
Yeah.
and when I was trying to create a parallel, it took me back to Manoj Bajpayee in Ux. He has a crazy, sinister laugh in that also, and he's demonic as fuck in that movie. So I think he can be like a villain like that, like Makhan. And I can imagine him not caring about the moral
Exactly.
compass, not
Yes.
caring about impact.
Yeah.
He will go full on. So
Dude, even the Bhiku Matre persona would
Bhiku
be...
Matre and him in Bandit Queen.
Bandit Queen,
Bandit
yes.
Queen.
These
Correct.
two,
That
like,
would work.
in my mind,
Yeah.
it was like Bhiku Matre meets his Bandit Queen character. You mash them together, you have the modern Gabbar.
Yeah.
And he's
bad at all.
Not bad.
So
not
both of you
bad.
had Manoj Bajpayee?
yes,
Hey,
yeah.
wow, dude.
Wow, ऋतिक मनोज बहुत बढ़िया
Okay, so...
That was easier than I expected. Gabbar scene
Again,
is
yeah.
spent a lot of
Because
time.
Yeah.
we didn't go,
Vikrant Massey.
no, Ranvijay or like, Harbhajan Singh, who knows?
Harva Singh is
Raghu
Gabbar
from
Singh.
Roadies is my Gabbar. कितने आदमी थे
Bro, have you seen the Manoj Bajpayee video with
Vijay Raz.
with Vijay Raz? Oh,
Wait, Vijay Raj
Which he
and
regrets it now.
Manoj, no?
Yeah.
And
with-
KK.
I like how Snehal and all of our algorithms are the
The same, dude. After a while, it just becomes...
Wait, so apparently they were not supposed to release it or something like that. But then they just put it out. Crazy.
And then they had to make a follow-up video saying apologizing for that. Oh.
That I don't remember.
literally-
but
that-
Because
I
that
don't
movie was releasing, apparently
Yeah.
they said, this wasn't appropriate.
How do they think it was right? That's great.
Okay, now we have the
supporting
somewhat
cast.
minor characters. Yeah.
Can we start with the jailer?
Sure. Okay.
Right? We should know. Like,
Oh,
again,
yes,
one of the
I have a
best,
good
right?
jailer.
Played by Asrani in the original.
Yes.
Is he
Yeah.
modeled around Hitler?
Yeah. That was Asrani's thing apparently.
Oh,
that he used to
Hitler.
do an act of an Indian Hitler, so they made a role around it, is what I've heard.
You know, just for the fact it's the character of jailer, I just want the callback to be able to say, "Hey, jailer, Rajnikant." Jailer. Cameo. Rajnikant. Jailer, bro. He's jailer, dude. Fucking
He had a
Okay,
problem
all our Tamilian fans and have not only tuned out, they have reported this video.
bro. he was like कि वरुण धवन इतना छोटा एक्टर रोल नहीं प्ले करेगा, ठीक है? वरुण धवन नहीं करेगा,
Bro, मैं तो
पर
कह रहा हूँ।
रजनीकांत
Bro, देख वही तो कह रहा हूँ मैं, कैमियो कोई भी कर सकता है,
तेरी
कैमियो
जितनी
तो कोई भी कर सकता है,
क्रेडिबिलिटी थी,
Bro, कैमियो कोई भी कर सकता है।
Rajnikant in Ravan was so bad. Also.
Yeah, exactly.
As his character, you wanted him to do a bloody
Random.
So again, that's my throwaway. Of course I knew. this is going to be the reaction to Rajnikant playing jailer. Of course I know this. Okay, I think a
This
more
is gonna make people run to this.
yes. Dude, wouldn't it
Tear the screen down.
Wouldn't
Yeah,
it?
had to
No,
burn down
but
the
you know
theatres, bro.
what fan situations have become is Fahad Fasil in Pushpa 2.
Yeah.
He has a fan following in Kerala, right?
Yeah.
And in that movie, there's an argument between Allu Arjun and Fahad
Fahad
Fasil,
Fasil, yeah.
and Allu Arjun pees in the swimming pool and Fahad Fasil's in the pool. There was a mass like boycott situation. Why did you say yes to this movie? Because you're being embarrassed on screen.
अबे पर
But वो
actor-
कैरेक्टर
हाँ.
वही ना कैरेक्टर नहीं है वो उनका
Yeah.
भाई
Demigod.
भगवान। Okay.
अरे
So no.
You're saying Rajni cannot be the bumbling character.
No.
Can't be
He's
the
not
joke.
anything.
Can't
Yeah.
be the
Okay,
joke.
okay, fair enough. So then,
Rajni sir is
I
Rajni
think,
sir.
I think then a more
Believable.
or digestible option for Asrani character, Anil Kapoor. Safe.
What
easy.
is wrong?
Anil Kapoor.
Yeah, he's great. dude.
Asrani
What is-
played this in the
Do you
original,
remember Anil
right?
Kapoor in a comedy like a full-on? Oh yeah,
No
no
entry,
entry.
Yeah,
no
no
entry,
entry.
But he was a
Deewana
lead in
Mastana.
that.
But is he very physical in his comedy?
If he wants to be, he can be.
Okay, are we still going with the Hitler like the
No,
Stalin
no,
character?
no,
we are
whatever,
not
yaar, go
going with
wild.
the Hitler. Yeah.
But it's a
not-
comedic
yeah, yeah.
role.
Cast
Comedy
Shah
role,
Rukh,
right?
yeah.
So,
It's fine.
Anil is great at comedy and like
But
welcome.
The number of cameos Shah Rukh did
Oh,
though
yeah,
for a
dude,
while,
yeah.
you were like, bus bhai.
Yeah.
Lal Singh Chadda में cameo था
Brahmastra,
उसका,
Lal Singh
Brahmastra,
Chadda,
yeah.
so much.
So Anil
But
Kapoor,
Asrani was not a cameo in the movie. He's a comedic relief.
correct,
Yeah.
but he's there for like all of 2-3 scenes.
Quite a bit of the movie in the first half.
Not quite a
No,
bit,
no,
bro.
but 10-15
yeah, ऐसे ही
minutes.
कुछ है bro, उतना ही है.
Okay.
It's just that J6
I
is
don't
still there.
They
agree.
don't see it, Antriksh. They don't
Like वो
see it.
सुरंग हम बनाने वाले हैं मेरे जेल में सुरंग हम अंग्रेजों के जमाने में जेलर. Then that whole
Anil, okay, fair.
पिस्तौल आ गया है जेल में हमारी
है.
जेल में पिस्तौल.
So again, I treated a comic relief as a comic relief.
yeah.
ठीक है, so I
So boring, you know.
These generics, these first photos.
Creative है ही
Yes,
नहीं.
yeah, क्या तुम लोग हैं?
but I actually really like him as an actor.
Yeah.
And my option is Raghav Juyal, guys.
Oh,
For
He's great,
Asrani.
he's great.
Yes.
bro, I also have Raghav Juyal, but as Samba.
But Raghav, you know, Raghav is such an actor and personality, he'll say yes also. He'll do it also. fuck
Bro,
it.
I think
But
he
he'll
would
also
be very awesome
and he'll have
as...
fun doing
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
He would be very good as Asrani.
Have you met him?
jailer.
Have you met
Yeah,
him?
yeah. Multiple. He's one of my first interviews ever.
Oh, really?
Coolest guy. Coolest
He's
guy.
really good in Kill,
Yeah.
but I don't know.
Bro,
whether-
11-11 have you watched? He's
No,
very
not
good in
yet.
11-11.
The web series.
The web show, yes.
When you meet like of course celebrities who are dancers also, do you bond with them?
Best
about the
dude.
dancing?
That's my first conversation
Of course,
with
right?
them. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
My half obsession with Hrithik is that. only.
Yeah. Yes, of course. Sorry.
But Raghav Jewel is your jailer.
Jailer, Asrani,
Okay.
yes.
Sure, not bad. My jailer is someone whose comedy I really enjoy. It's Gopal Dutt.
Oh, nice,
Yeah.
nice,
Okay,
nice.
good.
You can just see him as a bumbling
Yeah.
jailer. Are you
हर
imagining?
कॉमेडी रोल में अब्बास गोपाल दत्त को डाल देता है. पिछले 3 रिकास्टिंग में इज लाइक कॉमेडी गोपाल दत्त.
Really? What else have I casted him in?
भाई याद ही नहीं बहुत.
He carried the week that wasn't also.
Yeah,
One
totally.
of the
Yes,
funniest.
Yes.
But is Gopal Dutt? I've not seen him be the bumbling guy. Is he?
That's
good?
his entire personality, bro.
It's more like bumbling तो नहीं है. Bumbling idiot type तो personality नहीं है.
है.
क्या?
He's done some roles which
Yeah,
are
अभी तक
that.
तो I think राघव जुयाल बेस्ट.
Bumbling idiot who thinks he's an authority
Okay.
is made for Gopal Dutt, I feel.
Like this, I think the silly physical comedy Raghav Juyal is the best contender अभी तक.
I'm not voting down your choice.
I'm just bringing back the conversation.
और तुम इधर जाओ. I can imagine Gopal Dutt saying that. Yeah?
Guys,
Jamiha, who do you have?
my jailer is Rajpal Yadav.
Again,
I think it's very expected
Yes,
also.
sure, yeah.
Khatta Meetha is prime example of chaos. He thrives in it, and physical comedy. I think he can throw himself everywhere in the scene.
Yeah.
So
I love that sequence. मैं पागल हूँ, मैं पागल हूँ.
I sometimes put that meme after a terrible movie only.
हम कोई मंदिर का घंटा
हम अपने आगे फिर like बस हो गया ना फैसला जो चुप चुप के.
My favorite Rajpal Yadav is the pleading Rajpal Yadav. अचार दे दो. Like,
आजकल वो मीम बहुत है ना, मैं गुल्लू वो वाला भागम भाग वाला. मेरे को बताने वाले तुम होते कौन हो? मैं गुल्लू टैक्सी ड्राइवर.
Dude, also that one from ढोल जो मुंह से जो सीधा मुंह से निकले थूक अबे थूक रहेगा.
आपको पता है वो ढोल में मेरा जो करंट बॉस है उसका कैमियो है. You remember that scene जहाँ पे उसको वो एक लड़का इंश्योरेंस बेचने आता है? You remember that scene?
Yeah, okay.
वो मेरा बॉस है.
the insurance agent
Yeah,
is
the
your boss?
insurance agent is my boss.
Oh, okay. Well, at least he's playing a similar role.
Yeah, I was also thinking that jailer Vijay Raj would be fun, yaar. Because
Vijay Raj is my Surma Bhopali.
Oh, Surma Bhopali. Oh, dude, that's my Surma Bhopali.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh,
So we both have.
I don't have a good Surma Bhopali.
But who is it?
I have
Don't say
again,
again Kamal Hassan.
See, it is also a very major actor. It is not a great option. It is Manoj Bajpayee. I think it will work, but yeah, it's not a great option. It's not a
ये
great
पिक्चर
option.
ना बनने वाली.
विक्रांत मासी और रेबल किड को इनको बोल दो.
Bro, again, why are you guys not getting it?
अनिल कपूर.
कैमियो तो कर ही सकते हैं लोग यार. प्रॉब्लम क्या कैमियो में?
You know, I do think about Akshay Kumar and Dishum.
Yeah.
To do that kind of role is the most fuck all role ever. But some people are down.
Alright, fair enough. Yeah, not a great option. I agree.
My Surma Bhopali was Gajraj Rao.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, yeah, fair enough.
He has that funny शायरी tone to his personality, I think.
मुझे तो पर शोले में उनका रोल बिल्कुल फनी नहीं लगा. पर
जगदीप
हाँ
कसूर
जी.
बोली. हाँ, I know.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
True.
बट उनका वो फॉर्मेट भी हो जाता था ना कि
हाँ.
कॉमेडी सीक्वेंस होना ही होना है तो
वैसा ही है essential के तौर पे.
I mean, the entire joke is he's speaking in a Bhopali
Yeah,
accent. Yeah,
hence
that's-
the Surma Bhopali. Like it's right there.
So-
अब तो खत्म हो गया. सांबा ही बचा
वैसे
है
तो
बस.
बस
सांबा and Mausi.
I don't
Samba
have a
and
Mausi.
I don't have a Mausi either.
What
I mean,
impact.
we do have them guys, but we haven't cast.
I casted Seema Pawa as Mausi.
Sure.
Okay, I have.
I cast because of recency bias Dolly Ahluwalia.
Oh, I also had one. Yeah.
I don't have a Mausi at all. I
And
had.
then the third option was Maushmi Chatterjee. For some reason.
वाह अब तूने भी कर ली वो अनिल कपूर वाली चीज.
I had a very random Samba.
हाँ.
It was. You guys know Hemant Pandey ji from Office.
Oh yeah. Not bad.
I think that could work.
Oh, I had Makaran Deshpande as Samba.
Makaran Deshpande.
Oh, okay.
Oh, bro, he
Very
does,
similar.
I think
McMahon
he does these kind of
Yeah.
one-scener, two-scener.
Abbas is asking who would be good as Kalia. I think Makaran Deshpande would be good as Kalia, dude.
I thought should we
Yeah.
recast Kalia? I'm like by 2025 lens it might be problematic
Yeah, of
to
course.
call someone
Yeah,
Kalia.
sure.
So yeah.
But Makaran Deshpande, has a very wild look with that hair
Yeah.
and all that. I
Yeah.
think for Kalia,
Hence,
it would be-
Samba.
It's very ironic you said Makaran Deshpande does 1 or 2 line roles because
मैंने बोला है।
if you actually meet him in real life the guy doesn't shut up.
Oh, really?
Bro,
But this is outside Prithvi.
dude, he's actually about to do a full theater
Full,
run in
yeah,
Prithvi.
festival, yeah.
in Prithvi. Yes.
My Samba was Durgesh Kumar from TVF, Panchayat. देख
Binod,
रहे हो, Binod.
देख
Banrajas.
रहे हो विनोद, हाँ,
Okay, yeah, not bad, dude.
He's also from NSD, no?
Yeah.
He's also from NSD, yes.
He has a very iconic interview where he's like, कितने लोग हैं NST से?
हाँ.
नवाजुद्दीन, मनोज वाजपेयी, दुर्गेश कुमार. पता है कितने लोग आते हैं यहाँ पर?
हाँ.
पागल दिखेंगे आपको यहाँ पर स्ट्रीट में. एक था हमारा टॉपर, वो एक दिन हमें मिला अंधेरी वेस्ट में. कहाँ पर है किसी को नहीं पता. So then NSD group started like spreading this story about this chap who was this NSD graduate who just roams around Andheri.
Oh shit, bro.
So Durgesh Kumar already has the answer to कितने आदमी थे. Vijay Raz, Nawaz, you know, all those. So he can also put an answer that.
Because he's
What a
from
good answer.
NSG. Oh.
He just knows the crew,
Yeah,
so
knows,
he's
man.
good.
He just कितने आदमी थे, he knows the.
We are doing the director and music
Yeah,
director.
then
Oh,
director
wow.
and music director.
म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर नहीं किया मैंने, सिर्फ डायरेक्टर किया.
Helen.
Oh yeah, Helen, Nora Fateh guys.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's a universal choice.
That's where I would get Rebel Kid.
Guys, I would say Saundarya Sharma.
The moment you like Helen, I'm
Lal
like,
Pari,
Nora Fateh.
Lal Pari. And that's the title song. The item song is Lal Pari.
Banger casting guys. Banger casting.
And we have Sholay A and Sholay B also.
A में नोरा फतेही, B में सौंदर्य शर्मा.
Sholay actually had an alternate ending.
Oh yeah, it actually did.
Alternate is way better. Way better.
Okay, let's wrap it up by doing the music director and director.
Did you have anyone in Helen's role? Nora Fateh.
Nora Fateh,
yeah.
Nora
You also?
Fateh.
Why not?
Okay. Director. Who was
No, let's do the music director first, and we'll
Okay,
last thing we'll do. Who do you have?
I don't have anyone as the music director.
But if you had to pick one off the top of your head,
Shankar Ehsaan Loy or Ajay Atul maybe. I don't know, dude.
Okay, I would like to see Anirudh.
Okay,
Who did
for sure.
Jawan.
भाई
and
but हमने
Jailer.
वो casting हटा दिया.
Wait a King Kong or ring
एक रैपर है मेरी पिक्चर में ऑलरेडी.
Siddharth Chaturvedi and Anirudh. Diljit comes in the center.
Okay, I went for Sachin Jigar for Sholay. Yeah,
वो सलीम सुलेमान.
sure.
Okay.
For me, it was Ajay Atul because I love Agnipath's music.
Oh yes.
And I then wanted him to be in Chhava as well. Them to be in Chhava because Chhava's soundtrack, I think, was its biggest demerit, one of my biggest problems. A.R. Rahman went in full experiment mode if you watch
I
that
think that was
movie.
his rejected folder.
Maybe, man. Anirudh speaks about it many times when he's bored. He's like, yellow. And they accept
Exactly,
it.
yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Like the reason again, like why I thought of Anirudh, just giving some pointers there is basically, I feel Anirudh is very good at making moments feel larger
Yeah,
than they
yeah,
are.
yeah.
I think it would.
I mean, if you're scoring, if you're on a regular basis scoring Rajnikant movies, you
हाँ,
have
मतलब
to.
you have
Yeah,
to.
you
have to make it
Like,
look
Yeah,
right.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I think Anirudh will reject that you've cast him as jailer. Rajnikant in jailer? I'm not doing this.
well,
ठीक है.
sorry,
Okay,
Anirudh.
finally,
Director.
directors.
Yes.
who
This
would we
is
want
interesting.
director to direct a movie? Jamie, let's start with you.
Okay.
Who do you think would be a great
Yeah,
director?
I have Farah Khan.
Amazing.
So
Why didn't I think of that?
I feel like she should stop with the cooking videos.
Enough. Go
We're
to
done.
Kajol's
We
house.
love you. They're very entertaining.
Karan Johar's house.
I know you've made bank, but come on. You have to
Farah,
return.
come on, yaar.
Come
अभी picture
on.
बना ले.
She's an amazing director.
Yes.
And I think when I think about quintessential Bollywood, it's Farah Khan movies.
Happy New Year cannot be the last one.
Yeah, bro. What's
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Yeah.
Please make
Happy New Year cannot be the last one.
And I think like it fits the bill for a song and dance, the big action
Yes,
set piece
of course.
also, revenge, flashback.
Yes.
You know, everything that she is well versed with.
Correct. Antariksh, for you?
I have fucking Vasant Bala, bro. Would
Vasant
be-
Bala for Sholay.
Yeah,
Okay.
dude. Again, like,
Cinephile, so he'll know everything.
yeah,
That's true.
Like, again, one of my like in the last few years, I keep talking about how good fucking Monica My Darling is. Okay, as a movie. Vasant Bala as a director is what, and one of my favorite films, of course, is
Razi,
Mard Ko Dard
yeah,
Nahi
of
Hota.
course.
Is Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota and not Jigra. Razi or
Oh,
Jigra?
Jigra.
Razi was Meghna
Razi,
Gulzar.
sorry, Jigra, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, Jigra wasn't. Yes,
Haan.
agreed. Not a great movie. But Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota and Monica My Darling, both fucking bangers. Both excellent direction. Both stylistic in a very unique way in
Yeah.
terms of Indian cinema. I think he would be perfect. Like for a western, he'll be great at also like he's like Vasant Bala is like kind of like Sandeep Reddy Vanga in some ways, and kind of like Quentin Tarantino, where he's great at borrowing and putting things together from other movies, making it his own, and passing it off as like the final product in the movie is this. I think he would fucking nail this. I think.
Vasan Bala is like Sandeep Reddy Vanga and Tarantino.
And Tarantino.
Okay.
मैंने नहीं बोला.
Taking aspects, dude. He's good at taking aspects. Just that. It's a great
Please quote अंतरिक्ष and पता है किसी ने ना comment किया था कि कह रहे we really want this podcast to blow up, but then the day that happens is the day अंतरिक्ष gets cancelled.
Bro, if Cyrus Brocha is not cancelled till
That's
now,
true,
when-
exactly. Yeah.
and Antariksha has spent quite some time with
Yes.
Okay, I will go next because my choice is a very subtle cinephile choice also. It's Abhishek Chaubey, who made Soncheriya. Yeah, exactly. Who made Soncheriya.
Udta Punjab.
Dead Ishq Kiya and Udta Punjab.
Okay, interesting. He already does these kind of.
Yeah, Soncheriya is like the
Western
closest
vibe. Yes.
Western vibe film, but
Even Ishqiya kind of seems like
Dead Ishq
gangster.
Kiya. First Ishq Kiya was
Ishqiya.
done by
Okay, Dead Ishq.
Vishal Bharadwaj, if I'm not wrong. Maybe. I'm not. Maybe, yeah. But yeah, I love his work, so I would love Abhishek Chaubey to direct.
My director is Tigmanshu Dhulia, guys.
Nice, good choice.
Come back.
Yes, it's about time, dude. बहुत हो गए podcast, बहुत हो गए.
So he has a film with Pratik Gandhi, which is in
in works. Yes,
in works नहीं वो बन चुकी है but release
नहीं हो रही है. Okay, yeah.
क्या हो गया? Why isn't he working anymore?
यार अभी मैंने रिसेंटली उनके कुछ इंटरव्यूज पॉडकास्ट देखे हैं वेयर ही इज बिन कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री में एक्टर्स कहाँ है हमारी इंडस्ट्री में
No, I know the podcast you're
Like, I
talking
know,
about.
बहुत सारे मतलब अभी आई थिंक उसने हर पॉडकास्ट में जाके कुछ ना कुछ पॉइंट पे ये बोला ही है.
So in a podcast where someone said के actors बोलते हैं कि मेथड एक्टिंग करने के लिए वैन्स में बैठना है. I think Tigmanshu Dhulia just replies नहीं वो झूठ बोलते हैं.
Yeah,
India में
I
इतना कुछ
hate
होता
when
है.
directors become like this. Yeah, so that's why a phase of Kashyap, I was just like, I
know,
can't
yeah,
watch
yeah,
you again.
yeah.
And Hansal Mehta is also one of them. सब बकवास है. I'm just like tired.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what I was saying कि भाई अब like I think it's time to not be talking and be showing at this point कि मतलब आओ बनाओ पिक्चर और like कुछ पान सिंह तोमर जैसा दे दो ना मतलब ऐसा मजा आ जाए एकदम लाइफ में. So yeah, I think Sholay could be that film.
Nice.
The big comeback.
Cool. Nice. Should we
Bro,
do?
yeah,
Should we do a
dude.
longish recap of
Yes.
our cast?
Recap our cast. Finally.
फटफट से. This would be our first 2-hour long episode.
Oh,
I guess.
Lord.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Sorry guys.
Probably.
No,
I don't
no
know.
worries
That's
at all.
okay.
Abbas, quickly run down
Okay,
yours.
so my Jay was Sonu Sood, my Viru was Siddhant Chaturvedi, my Thakur was Bobby Deol, my Basanti was Sanya Malhotra, my Radha was Aditi Rao Hedri, Gabbar was Manoj Bajpayee. That's it, the main cast. Let's not recap the. And my director was Abhishek Chaubey. Yeah.
Alright, fair enough.
ठीक है. My Viru was Vicky Kaushal, Jay was Kunal Kapoor, Radha was Shraddha Kapoor, Basanti was Sanya Malhotra, Thakur was Pankaj Kapoor, Gabbar was
Kapoors, man. What is this Kapoor?
yeah bro Kapoor clan.
Yeah.
Gabbar was Hrithik Roshan. अच्छा सांबा नहीं कर रही थी. Sorry.
Okay.
And director is Tigmanshu Dhulia.
Jani?
Viru is Kunal Khemu, Jay is Ranbir Kapoor, Radha is Konkana Sen, Basanti is Vamika, Thakur is KK Menon, Gabbar is Manoj Bajpayee, and director is Farah Khan, music Ajay Atul.
Nice.
Alright. And me, my Viru was Varun Dhawan, Jay was Vikrant Masse. Great. Yes, the Eternal. Radha, Jai Bachchan's character was Sonam Kapoor. Basanti was Apurva Makhija.
Yes.
Guess what?
Traitor.
She's the biggest
Traitors.
picture on the poster, guys.
Yes. Only her. Nobody else.
Nobody else.
Yes. Thakur was Ajay Devgan because the eyes where he's not sleeping. My Gabbar was Hrithik Roshan and Prakash Raj, which was also both good options, but
Okay.
Hrithik Roshan also.
Yeah.
And
Director.
that's it. My director was Vasant Vara. Yes.
Nice. Cool.
And,
Good one.
Yes.
Good
Mine is-
episode.
Who? Okay,
Yes.
from all these casts,
Yeah.
which movie earns the most? What do you think?
Earns the most.
Yeah.
Uh,
The big bucks.
the one that has Ranbir Kapoor.
The cheat code wins.
That is actually.
Actually, that's actually
Not the one that has Sonu Sood.
अंतरिक्ष आपकी पिक्चर नहीं बनने वाली.
Yeah, I swear. You paired Varun Dhawan and Rebel Kid, dude.
No, you wait. That's gonna be a movie someday, and you guys are gonna be like, yeah, Antriksh was right.
The reels are going to be
Antriksh was right.
bangers, Nikhil.
No,
We
I
don't know about the
swear.
movie, but the
Yeah,
reels
yes.
are going to be bangers.
Really. That was
But
an
nice,
epic
yeah.
episode.
Epic
of,
episode.
Sholay
Like, I
recasting.
think the perfect episode for a 1-year completion.
Dude, yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
congratulations,
Yes.
guys!
Yes.
Congratulations.
Man, also,
Yes.
it is almost like it's difficult for us to fathom.
Yeah.
That you at your level, okay, we look up to you as a creator.
Man, don't say all of this. Please don't say all
But
of
we
this.
absolutely do.
No.
And it is amazing that you are even aware of the show and wanted to come on. Just thank you, man. Just thank you for being on.
Again, I
It's
force
amazing.
invited myself because I watch the channel consistently. So thank you guys, and it was a blast.
It was
amazing.
amazing.
Yeah.
Anything you want to plug?
No,
Where
no,
can
no,
people
no,
find
no,
you?
no.
Why what will
Try
you
to
do?
do watch it.
Try to
What
do
will
watch
you
it.
plug
Please
on
watch.
conversation?
Absolutely one of the best
Yes.
channels in this
Dude,
space.
like
No,
it's actually a practice. I'll tell you. Okay, you can feel all like ऐसा कि
Yeah.
मेरे सामने. But it's actually a practice. The moment I come out of the theater, the
Yeah.
first video,
Just look for Jamie, yeah.
the first video I watch
Damn.
is
What is
Thanks,
Jamie
Neil.
said?
genuinely.
Yeah.
मतलब there are days जब मैं गाड़ी
Now
में
he'll feel
देखते
pressure.
वक्त-
Okay, sorry.
No, but Tried and Refused Productions and Jammy Pants 4 on Instagram.
Anything you guys want?
Yeah.
हाँ अपना अपना plug कर
Yeah.
लेते हैं.
Guys, please check out all the other shows I'm doing. Popcorn Rachel dekhi rahe ho. Please check out That Filmy Game Show. Check out Spender Bender, Crickheads, The Internet Said So. Follow me on Instagram at Antrikshti. Snail.
Please subscribe to the channel. Please join the membership if you feel so. And जितने भी लोगों को आपको लगता है कि ऐसा content अच्छा लगेगा, please share the videos. And yeah, please follow us on Instagram. My personal ID is @snehil, so you can follow there. Channel का भी एक Instagram है @filmycolada. Please do follow that as well. Yeah, that's it. Yes, Abbas.
And follow me on Instagram at AbbasMomin88, Twitter at AbbasMomin. The Raghuveer Yadav episode that I did on the comment section is about to hit 100K.
Dude,
It
I
might
saw
have
that.
hit it by
Woohoo!
now.
Dude,
So,
I
yeah.
saw that. You were
Highest views,
amazing.
no?
You were
Thank you so
amazing,
much.
dude. I'm not even kidding. Okay, quick again tangent.
He's never this nice to us.
Dude,
Like,
he was.
Yeah, dude, it's just because of you. Yeah.
I was, maybe the. they
No,
are
no,
the
I've
nicest
seen
guys.
episodes.
So,
They absolutely bully me on
let
everything.
him say good things about me. Let me say one good thing about Abbas, dude. Yeah, you were just amazing.
Thank you very
You know, like I thought, ke
ये इतना
Abbas.
अच्छा हमारे शो में क्यों नहीं होता?
Yeah, correct, dude. Dude, I didn't even know Abbas can speak that good Hindi. I didn't even know that.
full of surprises,
dude.
guys.
Yeah.
So
Great.
probably
I must-
by the time this episode drops, my interview with the writer of Panchayat, Chandan Kumar, might have been out.
Yeah.
So check that out as well. And yeah, please subscribe to this channel and take memberships and keep coming back for amazing content. Yes.
Oh, last thing. I just dropped an episode with Uruj Ashfaq
Yes.
and Sumaira Sheikh
Yep.
on That Filmy Game Show that I think is the best episode of the show I've done ever. Okay,
Of
Please
that
check that
show,
out.
because this is the best show of this podcast.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Of that show. Best episode of that show. So please
Nice,
check that
cool.
out. It would mean a lot. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. All right. That was it from us. We'll
Cheers,
see you
guys.
next week. Till then, bye bye.
Bye bye. Banging.